Good afternoon, folks. This is Harvey Feinstein. I've recently been honored for something or other there, but the biggest honor of my entire quivering booty life is being the intro host for the Bodega Boys podcast. I'm thrilled to be here. Victor, you're so sexy. Your hair is incredibly sexy. Let me tell you guys something. These guys are so hilarious. Do the drop.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
See? It's an amazing drop. So now, listen. Now I'm gonna do I'm gonna do a musical number for you guys. This is an incredible song. Can you drop the beat, please? Drop the beat. Okay, let's go.
Episode 29, Bodega Boys in the building.
Oh, my God.
What's really good?
29.
29. Well, who played? What's the number 29? A basketball player with number 29?
I was going to say Thomas Schroeder is 29, but he definitely wasn't 29. He was
I don't
39.
know. Fuck it. We don't need information. Facts don't matter.
Facts don't matter.
Black lives matter.
Even though Victor's hair is growing back.
Yo, it's your boy Desus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket State Fat Laterio, a.k.a. Kiss Strapped for Sling Dick,
Whoa.
a.k.a. Eli Lippy, a.k.a. Bootos Gully, a.k.a. Slobodan Mike Noya, bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, Desus H. Fuego, Mr. At Nando's with Toronto.
Whoa.
1994, a.k.a. your problematic babe. Mwah.
Come here, little nigga, baby. Yo, this is Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durant Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, you know what I'm saying, a.k.a. Field the Ass Tyson, a.k.a. Ben Smack Biombo, you know what I'm saying, East Tree My Stevie B. Check the guest list, because my name is on there. It's certain. You know what
Check
I'm saying?
our government names. It
Check
might not be under our talent name.
It might not be on the talent name. It might not be the stage name.
Check again.
Check again.
Look for Kid Mero.
You know what I'm saying?
We out here, yo. This week has been, I don't want to say crazy, because why?
It's an ableist term.
That's an ableist slur.
You know what I'm saying?
And we don't do that here at the Mecca of knowledge, 220 West 18th
right.
Street. Coming to you live from Red Bull Studios. As always, come through,
That's
get
right.
a Red Bull, get some
All
art.
day.
They actually have a polo exhibit this
That's right. Thurston Howell III.
Thurston Howell III.
Puerto Rican.
All right, all my low lives
You know
out
what I'm
there.
saying?
Everybody that was back in the 80s
Throw
who
the
was
L's up.
snatching mad polo.
Know what I mean?
And running out of Macy's.
Running out of Macy's.
They're getting on the trains like savages.
You know what
That's
I'm saying?
why they have like those iron strings holding shit to racks
Know what I'm
now
saying?
at your nice store.
That's right.
Not at Burlington Coat Factory. They're not doing that to the
You know what I'm saying?
Paco.
Shout out to my man though, who you talking about the metal strings on shit, who tried to steal a North Face off a mannequin in a mall that I'm not gonna name in Connecticut, and fucking just ended up ripping the jacket to shreds because like niggas were getting chased out of there, and he was just trying to grab
Just
it
grab
and run.
anything. See? You gotta know.
Yo, shout out to all my boosters.
All the boosters. Shout out to all my mommies out there with the aluminum foil inside
right.
the bag.
The little
You know
Lizzie
what I'm
bag
saying?
getting
so
light
the sensor
out
don't
there.
go off. You know
what I'm saying?
Up at Woodbury Commons.
Whoa, hey,
You know?
with the fucking Asian tourists. I was corrected on Twitter. I was like, yo, they're Japanese. I was like, how you know they're Japanese? I was like, because they're wearing loafers with spikes on them. You know what I'm saying? And if somebody was like, that's very racist. And I was like, yo, you know what? You're right. Who can you inform me? And then homie informed me that it was actually Chinese people who come and buy mad shit.
They buy
You know
mad
what I'm saying?
shit
Designer
at
shit.
Woodbury Commons.
To then take back to the hood and bootleg.
Hey, listen.
Whoa! Hot fuego take.
Hot fuego
That's
take.
problematic like it's on 30
Hey,
seconds into this
listen,
show. Sorry, guys.
It's early. It's early. This
I'm
good. I
smacked.
feel today. I feel it's very warm. It's scorching hot outside.
Yo.
Scorching like the rage of black people have in America.
Yeah.
Because white people,
That's right.
especially cops. Nah, not all white people.
Oh, yeah.
Shout out to all my cool white
Shout
people
out
out
to all
there.
white people. I was gonna say, yo, shout out to all like 13 cool white people. Yo, y'all are mad cool.
Those
You know
cool
what I'm
white
saying?
people, the cool white people on Facebook, where
Yeah.
I'll be like Black Lives Matter, and
Yep.
they click like.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You know
It's the
what I'm
little
saying?
things like that.
Little things.
There's microaggressions and there's micro alley
Progressions.
shit. Microprogressions.
You know what I'm saying?
Ah.
Out here, branding, my nigga.
Brandon's good.
Pull up for
Brandon's
40.
good.
What?
But nah. Yo, you're wild cordy if every time you see a cop shoot a black person on video, you come up with a reason for it. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yo,
Yo, he was reaching.
Well, he was reaching.
was
Yo,
going.
honestly, I seen the video. Altalissa, rest in peace, my dude. Don't watch his videos if you don't have to.
Also,
don't put
don't
these
retweet
videos on a
them.
TL. Yeah,
And
don't put
fuck
this shit
the
on
New York,
TL.
fuck the Daily News because they took a still of his dead
That's
body
right.
and has the cover.
But you know what? Was it them or the Post that did the dude get hit by the train?
The Post did that.
The Post. I would expect
they
that from
did
the Post.
That's the Post. The Post is garbage.
Garbage.
Homeless people don't even wipe their ass with the New York Post.
No.
It has red on his cover to show that it is preferred by rednecks.
Yo, they used
That's
to
a
give
hot
that shit-
take. That's also the truth.
Oh! That shit they used to give that shit up for free at my old job, and nobody picked that shit up.
Nobody pick it
You know
up.
what I'm saying? It's like,
If you ride the train and so there's like a free post, you're not picking it up unless like you really get stuck in a tunnel and shit. The New York Times is a piece of shit, but not a piece of shit the way But I mean, they're both pieces of shit. You know what I'm saying? That's why you gotta get your information from
Daily News.
podcasts and Twitter. Huh?
You said New York Times. Make sure Daily News.
Daily News? Did I say it? New York Times is kind of raggy too. the New York Times be like fucking up, but because they're up there, they're extremely problematic. Yeah. Because they have no cartoons, but they can't really call them on it. That's their whole thing. You could be like, yo, because you. They're like, we're a very serious paper for $5 on Sunday.
That's what it is. You get the Sunday, you have the crib
Here's
listening to
26
jazz.
sections.
You know what I'm saying? That's what it is. Yeah, I'm reading the culture section, listening to jazz music. In
I
the
like
crib,
to look at
it's okay for them to apologize.
I like to look at the wedding sections for the black couples.
Oh,
which increasingly there are fewer of them.
Oh, well, listen, Russell Wilson, Ciara.
That's
you know what I'm saying.
Shout out to the Wilsons.
Yo,
shout out to the Wilsons.
Black love.
Black love. Black love never gonna die.
Ovaltine love. You know what I'm saying?
A little too much milk in the tea, though.
Yo.
Oh, man. I know Future was probably just like sensational. Wait, you seen that photo just pop up on the timeline?
Nigga's like, I'm tight.
Oh, okay. All right. I see how it is.
Oh, what?
Oh, okay. Oh.
Nigga just chuckled to himself. And
yeah,
said,
did that. We all did that.
Like bottom lip weird shit. Like, all
right, cool. Oh, wow.
Oh, you out here like that?
Okay. Oh, I see you.
Publicly.
I see you.
Okay, all right.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking bitch. Yeah, Matt Petty. Oh. A little smiley emoji, like little moon face.
Eyeballs.
Like, oh, word? Yo, go in your ex-girl's Instagram comments right now, my nigga. Pull up. Drop 10 moon emojis in that bitch.
Petty.
You know what I'm saying?
Petty. Are you petty? What's going on? That's me right there. That's my theme.
Drop 10 moon emojis in that motherfucker, man.
Oh, man.
Tell him Mero sent you.
And then don't respond.
Don't respond at all.
Matter of fact, go to her latest selfie and be right underneath it. Oh, wow. You wanted to post this?
Oh, no!
That's it.
Chill, that's the nuke. That's too much. Niggas be like, yo, chill, you doing a lot. That's when you kick a nigga's head when they already knocked out. Like, yo, chill.
Pull up on you and shit. Some other fuckboy in her comments is trying to like into the DMs by being sweet to her.
Yeah,
so you gonna protect her.
Yo,
that wasn't necessary.
Niggas is crazy out here.
Yo, I know your thirst got you wild out here, but yo, you should respect her comments, brother. Man.
Yo, this is low key wild lame.
Oh,
fucking wings.
Wing days.
Yo, but he's getting the smash now. Allegedly, you know what I'm saying? He's smashing.
Get Russell Wilson?
Because now he gets the smash.
Allegedly.
You know what I'm saying?
But I mean,
or has he been smashing, or you think he's like asexual?
What if she was only like giving him butt? It was like, nah, you can't get the choke, but you can fuck me in the peanut butter.
I mean, that's popping.
I'd be a little offended because I'm like, yo, you got a kid. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, listen, you selling me sneakers that have been worn already. You know what I mean?
But I mean,
is that a proper analogy?
Are they? I mean, I don't know. Let's ask the mayor. Yeah, but yeah, nah.
But listen, that's the love. If you love somebody and they're like, yo, you gotta wait until we're married to fuck. Yeah. You know, your love for them will
gotta be really lovey.
You gotta really love the crust of the motherfucker.
Yo,
would you have if Heather was like,
no, nigga? I was about to say I'd be sitting here single as fuck. Like, yo, son, my prep is working. You know what I'm saying? I'll be out here just slanging. Uncut, raw, nigga.
Nigga Mero just out here.
Sushi cock
sex
out here.
While we're recording the podcast.
Mad kids everywhere, nigga. You be like, yo, what's wrong with you, my nigga?
He's just like, cause I'm out here.
Like, yo, Cromartie comes up on every day. I'm like, yo, listen, I feel this nigga though, man. You gotta hear both sides.
Oh man.
Yeah, but not. It's like, come on, B. It's 2016. You gotta have sex before you get married. Like,
you gotta drive the car.
If you take marriage
seriously.
If you don't take marriage seriously and you're like, yo, I'll get a divorce if the pussy's whack, then by all means. But if I take marriage seriously, I'm like, yo, I'm not getting divorced because I love my kids. I got to see them every day.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? My wife is cool. I love her. Shout out to you. So
the sponsors have the church.
Yo, out here. So like, my whole shit is like, yo, I don't want to, like, I'm cool with this. You know what I mean? So in order for me to be cool with this, I got to see what the church is hitting for before we sign these papers. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, dog. You don't just go up on the lot, yo, let me get that car. I'm out. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be like, yo, let me drive this shit around the block at least 2-3 times.
Yeah.
Day. Let me get on the highway, do 3 exits. You know what I'm saying? Push the needle a little bit.
Really open that engine up.
You know what I'm saying?
Check the brakes.
You know,
maybe an illegal U-turn
you know
out of nowhere.
Out here. Yo, I'm gonna go to Wendy's real quick. Is that cool?
Is that
you know
cool?
what I'm saying?
Check what the cup holders is like. That's right. That's right. Women, your bodies are cars.
You know
all right.
Yo, it's a serious investment.
It's a serious. Listen, if you take it serious,
in time and energy,
it's just about how much effort you put into it. That's what you get out of it, right?
Time is all we have.
Time is all we have. And for some of us, it's not that much time because the cops gonna kill us.
That's right.
So
if you niggas don't see me next week, hold your head. I'm very upset. You know what I'm saying? Yo, this shit gets me tight, bro. This shit really gets me so tight.
Like, I don't even know what to tweet, man.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, yo, it doesn't. There's nothing you can really tweet or like put on Facebook or whatever that doesn't feel mad contrived. I got like a draft sitting. For everything, but it's
Drake
just like
wrote an open letter.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
All right.
I feel him 100%.
I feel it. And it's just like people were expressing their real emotions, but it's just like, yo, everything's been said already.
Yeah.
Every meme's been posted. Every Instagram pic's been put. And it's just like, you know the thing. You know what's going to happen. They're going to say he was a resistant. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Department of Justice investigation. Blah, blah, blah.
Yo, if he gets off. Yeah. Or if he was just. Yo, it's so crazy because obviously, the people that I feel
like. This term.
Oh, yeah. Oh, sure.
It's so wild.
It's so wild because, like, I feel like the people that have comments on like, yo, this is how you're supposed to get arrested have never been arrested.
They've never been arrested.
There's a natural human reaction when another human being grabs you forcefully and throws you around is to tense up or tighten up
and be like, yo, chill.
That's a natural reaction out of fear, out of whatever. You know what I'm saying? So like, you niggas never been arrested. Don't tell me nothing. If a cop hasn't stepped on your head, I don't want to hear your theories or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Because like, yo, if you're walking up the street to go get a fucking Dutch at the store, you know what I'm saying, and go back to your crib and fucking Officer Flannery comes and snatches you up. You know what I'm saying? You're chilling. You're good, just going about your day, fam. This is what a lot of niggas can't relate to. Like, this has never happened to you. You know what I'm saying? So you can't relate. You're going about your day regular.
Your regular fucking life.
I'm going to the store. You go to Bodega, you walk in there, and halfway there, niggas hop out, grab you.
No, don't even announce themselves.
No.
Just come out, get on fucking wall.
That's it.
Some shit like that.
Nah, niggas is grabbing you and talking at the same time. They're not announcing and saying, yo, cop, police, whatever. They're grabbing you first and then saying, yo, I'm a fucking cop, whatever the fuck. And they're saying it like that. They're not saying, I'm a police officer, NYPD.
I'm a fucking cop.
I'm a fucking cop. I'm like, what?
Yeah.
Yo, dog, my natural reaction is like, yo, get the fuck off me. Who the fuck are you? You could be lying. You know what I'm saying? You're not even dressed like a cop. You know what I'm saying? Like, a lot of these dudes are DTs in the hood wearing Yankee jerseys looking like Mark Teixeira. You know what I'm saying? With dad jeans on. Yo, I'm just saying. You know what I'm saying? Like, all these dudes are getting killed, and it's because of a natural human reaction. It's not because niggas are criminals and they know, yo, I'm trying to get loose and shoot you. How many motherfuckers do you know that would get hemmed up by a cop and be like, I'm trying to get loose and shoot this nigga?
No.
None.
Nobody does that.
I know like one. You know what I'm saying?
Like one guy that don't want to go back to
that one guy. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? But it's like, yo, come on, man. That's why motherfuckers get so mad. And then you see these videos and people are like, yo, why? All these like I said, the weird or even in big cities, because there's fucked up people everywhere.
Right.
But like the majority of these people in these areas where they don't even know, there's no black people, there's no Latinos. You know what I'm saying? They don't understand. Yo, we're mad.
A lot of these towns, like the force is not racial, doesn't match the racial aspect of the city. So
you know what I'm saying?
Like,
why are you
the force is
policing?
100% white,
Exactly.
and they're policing a community
that they hate.
Black. Yeah,
essentially, you're policing a community you hate. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's like, yo, that's like me putting me in fucking animal control and being like, yo, go wrangle possums. I'm gonna kill every fucking possum, dog, because I hate possums. So you're putting fucking a dude who naturally doesn't like people of this, you know what I'm saying, ethnicity, color, whatever. And then you're making this guy fucking just basically, you're giving him basically a license to kill. Yo, here's a badge. If you murk somebody, we're going to listen to you first. You know what I'm saying? Regardless of video, regardless of anything.
Well, let's not, it's true.
You know what I'm saying? Lately, all I've been seeing, man. And I really watch this shit, man, because I have children and they're growing up.
But it's deeper than that, man.
It definitely is.
Hot take, Desus. Teach these devils.
Teach them.
All right? Because cops actually started from slave patrols, which were in the antebellum South, groups of white men who went around to make sure the slaves were behaving.
Right.
That has turned into the police force now. So you can't ever expect the police for the police, they're never going to respect black people as actual humans because that's just how the country's set up. You're not really a man. So they're never going to be like, yo, you're a human, I'm going to treat you with human dignity, which they show other people. So I don't know, man.
Cops are ain't wildin'.
I mean, the thing is,
motherfuckers have a reason to be mad.
People can only take but so much. You know what I'm saying?
Listen.
I'm not saying anything. I'm not activating a secret code that we talked about in a meeting.
You know what I'm saying?
547 AF
Not
83.
at all.
It starts at 7.
Not at all.
Tell a friend.
Not at all.
Bring a red shirt. You know why? Don't want to say it on here. They're going to see.
Damn, Agent Johnson just wrote all that shit down.
That shit down. It's too late. By the time you crack the code, listen, ain't going to be no kale left. You're going to burn all the pumpkin spice.
Yo, fuck the police, man.
You know what? Fuck 12.
Fuck 12.
You know, if you're a bodega hot. No, don't be a cop listening to this shit. That's the fucked up shit they do. Like what cop would be driving you to Bookers and listening to this shit and cracking up.
Yeah.
Yo, y'all niggas fuck with bodega hive? Oh, y'all don't got seatbelts? Yo, my fault.
Oh, my
Here
fault.
Comes the speed bump.
Fucking yo, come on, man. Yo, so listen. Bottom line, we are angry because we're getting killed for natural human reactions.
Also because Kevin Durant went to the Warriors.
That got niggas furious.
That a lot of shit got tight this week.
That shit got me too, right? Yo, I'm tired of this shit. And they're going back and they're pushing up tweets, and then there's people saying that are taking the side of, yo, Kevin Durant has changed. He's grown as a person.
Mm-hmm.
Those old tweets don't reflect who he is now.
Right.
Which is like true for myself because I've said a lot of problematic shit. You have as well. You know what I'm saying? We've acknowledged it on the program. So shout out to him. But like, yo, fam. Your whole shit was, I don't want to join a super team. I don't want to, this, that, the third. So first thing you do as soon as you get a chance, you join a super team. Your team just reloaded though, dog.
You can't be mad at him for that.
I'm not mad at him. I'm just mad at him for fronting. Stop fronting. My nigga be like, yo, come out and be like, yo, you know what? True, I said that shit, but fucking nigga, I'm trying to get this ring.
Who does he owe that to?
Himself.
He doesn't owe that. He doesn't owe anybody shit.
He doesn't.
He doesn't owe anybody. He doesn't owe anyone. He didn't even have to do a press conference after this shit.
He
He doesn't owe you anything. Everybody thinks they own this. You know what? I never bang for Swaggerless McGee, a.k.a. Kevin Durant.
Johnny No Swag.
Johnny No Swag. But it's just like the reaction from fans, the entitlement.
Yeah.
And it's just like...
Yo, but there's mad people that have been writing like ridiculous entitled
shit. But you know what I'm saying? Like, when I see a group of white men burning the jersey of black basketball player or shooting at it with like a gun,
no.
The problematic light goes on.
You're doing too much.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
nah, shit burnt
like that's a little, and it's just like, yo, where you going? Like, stay here in Oklahoma? Okay, we're not doing that anymore. We're not doing that anymore.
I'm actually mad he didn't come to the Knicks. If he would have came to the Knicks, I would have been like, yo, he don't owe you shit. I would have been singing the same tune. He don't owe you shit. Your niggas are stupid. Are you crazy? He's a man. Let him live his own life. You know what I'm saying?
We don't need him on the Knicks. You know what I'm saying? You know what it's gonna make this year when they win it all even sweeter.
Talk about it.
D Rose.
That's right.
Shaquem Noah.
That's right. I'm telling you.
Listen.
30's coming.
Listen.
You know what I'm saying?
Who's that other guy we signed? The whose name I cannot pronounce.
The Algauskas guy.
Algauskas Skaskamaskus.
Skaskamaskus. Tzatziki sauce.
He used to play with Chris Stapps.
Willie Hernan Gomez is the guy who has like a double Spanish name. I've never heard that name before in my life. I was like, yo, is his name Hernandez or Gomez?
But think about it. Willie Hernan Gomez.
Yeah, shout out to him.
Willie Hernan Gomez. It sounds like a video game
He's going to be
character.
Willie smoking hookah on Dykeman, nigga.
Like, I hear that shit, and I imagine someone like the Mexican poncho with the big sombrero, which is wild racist. But
yeah,
I saw a rumor this morning that said the Knicks should trade Chris Stapps for Westbrook.
Man, you could potentially sell me on that.
Yeah?
You know what I'm saying? Because Westbrook is so filthy. Dog, and this is why another reason why I'm like, yo, KD, why'd you bounce? Yeah. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all had the Warriors down 3-1 last season. You know what I'm saying? Like, without having, like, LeBron, Draymond had to get suspended, I think, for the Cavs to win that series. That really turned the series.
Right.
That never happened in OKC. Them motherfuckers just got outplayed and just, like, sunned. And Russell Westbrook was out here cooking. So, like, why would you bounce? That's like weird. Like we fucking win a Peabody Award for this podcast, and I'm like, all right, I'm out. I'm gonna go fucking, I don't know.
I'm glad you think so highly of this.
Do NPR. You know what I'm saying?
We're not winning a Peabody.
You know what I'm saying?
Nobody that is on
should be if
nobody that
smart.
is on the Peabody committee is listening to this shit, like cracking up and shit.
I don't know why that's the first one I thought of. That's why I feel like I'm really like.
Is that what award would you, if you could win it, would mean the most to you?
Right now, it would have to be an Emmy because we're doing TV shit. So if niggas win an Emmy, that's like, yo. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, you came in the game, started doing TV, immediately crushed it with an Emmy. Okay. You know what I'm saying? That's OG. But an Oscar, maybe?
Sorry.
Sorry, guys. Sorry about life. Sorry about a man just living, a black man living his life.
You know what I'm saying? Hands up, don't snort.
You know what I'm saying?
That's not funny.
Yeah.
But also,
it is though.
Also,
you gotta find the
I
human
saw a
things
couple
in life,
magazines. Let me speak on this.
Go ahead.
All right. Let me stand up for my black women.
Go ahead. Talk about it.
All right.
Teach these devils.
Billy D. Desus.
Teach these devils.
Like, I see people using the say his name hashtag for the guys that got shot, which is cool.
Okay.
But that shit is for black women.
Okay.
All right. I just want to put that from Sandra Bland.
Okay.
All right. I got my fist in the air. You see? Look, I got my black. You see?
You do. It's very black.
I got my black bracelet on here.
Very black.
I've been getting dirty looks from white people because they know. I've been selling out a little.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I've been easing up on my views.
Oh, you gotta infiltrate.
But listen, I'm back on these devils.
That's right.
I'm back on these Yakubian devils.
You know what I mean?
Just you know what I'm saying? I'm on the Caucasus Mountains. I'm kicking your dogs. Right?
Yo, shout out to Jesse Williams. Jesse Williams got the platform that he got.
He did.
Via Grey's Anatomy, which is a very white lady show.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Shonda Rhimes though.
They're trying to get him fired, but they didn't realize that you can't get him fired because it's like if you work somewhere and your boy is the manager.
Yeah.
Because Shonda Rhimes ain't firing Jesse Williams.
Nah.
So.
Nah. No way.
You know what I'm saying?
No way.
Can I speak to the manager?
No way.
She was like, manager's here, honey.
She saw his headshot and was like, yes.
Yes. Yes, I'm the manager.
Yeah.
How can I help you?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
So I fell in love this weekend.
Okay. Are you married to marijuana, man? Smoke bad trees?
Nah. You know, like when you see something and you're like, yo.
Is this Rihanna again?
No, it's an apartment.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
Real estate teasers. Holla. Oh, let's do this. Oh, you joining Zillow gang?
Manhattan, man.
Oh, you joining Zillow gang?
Yo.
Oh, shit. We out
One
here.
bedroom, one bath, 744 square feet, top floor.
Okay.
10-foot ceilings.
Oh.
Extra walk-in closet.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? Clear view of Empire State Building.
What?
You know what I'm saying?
What's
I watched the fireworks there.
What's the rent?
Well, what's funny is,
Yo.
I was at a July 4th party. So in this nice ass building, you know, it's like open bar, and I'm getting lit.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you know, young day party.
Yeah, of course.
You know, I turned up like Sponge McKenzie. You see me at my party, you know it's gonna be lit. So I'm looking at the listings and shit. My first thing that should have told me, boy, you in danger, was when I was like, yo, can I ask about the apartments? And they just pulled up like a specialty iPad with a full display on it. So I was like, all right, let me look at these. And I looked at it's like the 1-bedroom apartment. And I was like, yo, I asked the stupid questions first. I was like, yo, like pets allowed, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
You know, like that's the least of my concerns. So finally I'm looking and it says, you know, it's like this beautiful apartment. And this shit is something like $1,700 a month.
Oh.
In this nice ass building.
Oh, light work.
And I'm like, yo, that's not easy, but I mean, like, that's affordable.
Yeah.
That's affordable by
For New York. Come on, by New York
standards.
standards.
I'm like to the lady, I'm like, wow, that's pretty low for you know, this nice ass apartment in New York City. She does a light chuckle and goes, no, you have to scroll over. Apparently the apartment is $1.7 million.
Oh, that's the maintenance fee.
I don't know what that was. I think that might be just the sign-in, just the fucking paperwork fee. And she said if you move in like in the next week, they'll waive the $1,000 paperwork fee.
Yeah, because I give a shit if I'm in for $1 million apartment.
I did that Chris Brown meme. I'm like stroking my chin, like
Yeah, like yeah.
I was like,
Damn, I gotta at least sell this.
I was like, so okay,
Like, I'm actually
$1,000 off the paperwork fee. Well, that is tempting.
Well.
Can I get back to you?
Yeah. I'm looking at some other properties.
Meanwhile, in my head, I'm trying to count how many MetroCard rides I have left. Nah, that was a nice ass apartment. That's. I've been thinking about that. I was on the train tight as fuck. Like, how can I move into that apartment?
You gotta fucking.
Although we're gonna go so hard with the brand.
Yeah, we have to.
Yes.
Marry a Russian oil heiress or some shit.
No.
Because New York City is becoming a playground for millionaires, fam. Mm-hmm. It is impossible.
And I want to play.
To live in, exactly.
I want to play. Put me in, coach.
You know what I'm saying? He's ready to play.
I'm ready to play.
But it's crazy, dog. Like you can't live in
Crazy
like,
Ape is a star.
Oh my god. The problematic it's problematic ladies in my eye. No, you can't live in New York City if you have a regular job.
No.
You can't.
If you have a regular job,
you can't live by yourself in New York City if you have a regular job.
If you have a regular job in New York City, your actual job is to cater to the rich in some form or fashion, whether it's like writing articles for websites or working at Starbucks and stuff.
Yep.
So, don't be a regular person in New York. New York is not for regular people anymore. No. Don't be a normie.
Yeah.
All right? Become famous or some shit.
All the normal people live in the Bronx. And
for now,
and we will kill you.
Also, Stacey Dash, could you stop repping the Bronx? We had the panel.
Yo, she's not from the Bronx. Where's she from?
She says she's from.
What's her other place that she's from? Because she can't. I know she wasn't born and raised in the Bronx. Yeah,
she's not bang bang.
Come on,
she's not Bronx gang.
Come on, get out of here.
All right,
she don't even know where to go get white.
Damon,
cheese.
Get your cousin.
Yeah, get out of here.
What's she doing? Talking about Bronx.
Well, Dave's from Harlem.
She's like, come on. She's talking about she gonna run in the White House Bronx style and get rid of the squatters.
Damn, man.
Bitch, what?
Bye, bitch.
Bye, bitch. All right, bye, Stacey Dash. You flop.
I'll turn to fucking Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson meets Panda.
Oh man! Shout out to us being fucking oracles of the future, and like this Timmy Turner thing is gonna be a huge anti-gun violence thing. Yeah. Kanye's gonna rally behind it. He's gonna have viewings. It's gonna be crazy. You heard it here first, folks. You know what I'm saying? For all your fucking future,
for all your hot takes.
You know what I'm saying?
That's what we do, man.
You know what I'm saying?
That's what we do.
That's right, baby.
All right.
Tell these niggas something, man.
Listen, we trying to tell y'all this podcast. You know what I'm saying? It's not just a podcast for fun. No. We teach people. We teach these devils.
This is for the knowledge.
All right?
You know what I'm saying?
Also, and accordingly,
yeah.
Did you get the message I sent you?
Trump coming through with the Tsar David?
Yeah. Yeah.
Among other things.
Among other things. Yo, he came through with the Jew facts. Did you see his speech yesterday?
Get him out of here.
He was wilded. Like, he looked like he went to smack city.
Yeah, he did. He was just out here like saying whatever. Yo, Donald Trump just be saying whatever, dog.
And people love it.
Love it. He's like Little B of politics. Like anything he says, people just like, whoop. Like, ooh, this shit is ill. Whoa. Hey.
Woo. Build that wall to soup.
Huh?
Build that fucking wall.
Whoop.
Ban all the Muslims.
Swag. Like, come on. Woo. Everything he says, everybody just rocks with the shit mad hard. Like, yo, come on.
Yo, and the people there wasn't even there, like, yo, for a political rally. That shit looked like white comic view.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, Shucky Ducky Quack was coming on after him.
The blue collar comedy tour and shit. Like, Jess Foxworthy.
Hey.
You might be a redneck if your TV's on top of a TV.
How many of y'all find your cousin sexy? Oh, just me.
Hey, you might be a redneck if you stared at the orange juice box because it said concentrate.
Then it cut to the audience. Niggas is in the aisle and shit.
Holding dying like
they see Michael Jackson. Shit ain't that funny.
Bro.
And you know what else is worse?
Like they had a mega church thinking the dude is just doing a wave. Everybody's like, oh, shit. Fuck out of here.
And when that shit was really popping, and I would turn to it was like everyone would get quiet on the TV. And they wait for me to turn the channel. They'd be like, keep moving, nigga. These jokes ain't for you. Someone overalls nervously cough. Like, is he still watching?
You flip back and it's like, Nick.
Nick Cannon is a nigger. That's the fucking joke. Wilding out, how about they try to miling out with a job, get off the welfare? I'm like, I feel particularly attacked.
Sir,
also, I was told these tickets are free from Viacom. Yo. Let's bring back the blue collar comedy tour. And we're gonna be a white face. And no one's gonna know. And we're gonna rise to the ranks. And on the last day, we'll be like, gotcha, devils!
Are we gonna do like straight redneck shit, or could we do like vegan white people shit?
I feel like the redneck shit probably it fits more because the vegan white people shit, the kale jokes, although white people shit, that's very specific to maybe like a 4-block radius in Brooklyn and some parts of LA.
True.
So
shut the Silver Lake.
Okay, so it's like, but that's the humor. That's the humor. But you have to know about these people in Williamsburg and Bushwick in order to get that joke. But if we expand our brand to make it fun of rednecks, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
I see the vision.
You see the vision? They just out there in their Confederate flag bikinis.
Yo! Oh my God!
Mudding
with the flag on the truck.
Got a little skull.
Truck got fucking
a little snuff in their cheeks.
Oh God!
Spitting into a cup.
Truck got fucking 8-inch rims with 40-inch tires.
Posting pictures of guns on their Twitter, talking about who wants this.
I can't wait to use Betsy.
Oh. I wish ISIS would run up in Fort Worth, Texas. As ISIS has no idea where that is.
Oh my God. All lives matter. What you got to say about it?
What you got to say? Blue lives matter.
With the fucking M4. I'm like, yo, dog.
Like, relax. Relax, my God. You're not turning here into Baltimore. Actually, Baltimore's very nice.
Baltimore's very nice.
There's like yoga studios now.
Come on. There's certain sections.
My favorite races on Twitter are white people who know exactly how many black people got shot in Chicago in the last weekend.
Oh, my God.
And they posted with no context.
Oh, yeah, no.
And they're like, why weren't you protesting when 60 people got shot in Chicago last weekend? And it's like, there's actually protests in Chicago if you looked in that. But no, that's not going to help your narrative.
Yeah.
So go back to posting pictures of your fucking little ugly pasty baby talking about fun times at the lake. Went trouting today, caught 4 big ones. The next tweet is like, fuck you, nigger. I'm like, and then the next tweet is like, blessed to see my granddaughter.
Oh my God. Yo, y'all are wild. And y'all all got egg avatars.
They do. Egg avatars, the Chef Curry sneakers, a dog, a picture of a scenic lake.
Oh, you already know.
What else? A flag, a constitution, a gun.
Yep. White guy
Oakleys. You know what I'm saying? The outfielder shits.
Yes, but
Golden
the picture's not in focus.
Oh no.
It looks like
it's a picture of a picture.
The picture may have been turned to a JPEG after, but the original source was a bitmap, so it was mad grainy.
Yeah, very poorly compressed. I just said that. I don't even know what that means.
It means exactly what you said. And they're posting just bad memes that are like poorly photoshopped.
Oh yeah.
And they post it to people whose conversation had nothing to do with it, and they respond in earnest. To actual websites, as if the website is going. They're like, "Fuck you, Daily Beast, disloyal media. Trump's gonna win." As like
MSM doesn't fit your narrative.
Look, liar, cheater. Hillary has blood on her hands.
Liar Hillary, crooked Hillary.
She's in with the Jews. Donald Trump's a real man, straight shooter.
No, I'm Jared Kushner. I assure you that my father-in-law, Donald Trump, is not an anti-Semite whatsoever. He was at my house.
I'm huge with the Jews.
He's huge.
The Jews love me.
He's huge with us.
He's huge.
He's huge with us. We have something in common. We both don't have foreskins.
You know what I like about the Jews?
His to use as a scalp extension for his hair. So, he loves Jews.
You know what I love about the Jewish people?
Tell me what you love,
when
Donnie.
they killed Christ and they got those pieces of silver.
They got him.
What a deal. What a business deal.
Incredible
One of the
business.
best business deals in the world.
See?
I'm not saying killing Christ was good, but
we're out here.
It's simple fact. It's simple facts, guys.
We've been pulling up from 40. I told you.
Oh, Donald Trump is scary.
He's a fucking very frightening guy.
Scary.
Yo, he actually, like those, Dennis Hopper, the actor?
No.
He played like Koopa in the Mario Brothers live action movie.
Really? Is that the first? When you think Dennis Hopper,
why
the first role you think of is
I'm a millennial.
Okay.
Millennial. Because it's probably one of the worst movies I've ever seen. Probably.
Okay.
That's why it sticks out in my head. The Goombas look retarded. Like, that's another problematic term. See? Wow, you're grown as a person.
Can't say they look
that.
retarded.
I can't. All the Goombas had Zika. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if that's less problematic or more problematic. Okay.
We're raising Zika awareness. Shout out to Zika and the Narcan.
Yeah, Narcan, you know what I'm saying?
I'm confused if our sponsor is Zika or the Zika vaccine. But I heard there's
probably both.
Whatever.
You got both. There's no conflict of interest. They keep each other in business.
Niggas is Zika hetero-flexible.
You know what I'm saying? That's it.
Is that thing?
Zika fluid out here.
Zika fluid. Bang, bang, Zika gang.
Nah, but like that shit, fucking other diseases, wow, smack.
Smack City. Smack City. Poor Mero. Mero smack.
While Mero looking at this bag of Fritos.
It's chili cheese Fritos, which are actually in my rider from now on.
What?
And you can ask people at Viacom. I don't play because chili cheese Fritos. Here, you can have some of these right here.
Yeah. No, these are
shout out to the Bodega Hive.
I like those in theory. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how I feel
just
about
gonna open them on the track, huh?
Yeah, yo, because somebody was like, yo, I can't wait to hear Mero eating pita chips this week. It's no pita chips, though, but we got Deep River.
Oh, Deep River. Shout
sea
out
salt and
to the
vinegar.
Bodega Hive. We love y'all. Don't get shot by cops. And shout out to, what's this guy's name? Kedri Malik. I fucked up his name.
Survivalist.
Is on brand for me.
Survivalist.
Kadri Malik. I'm going to go with that. Who survived, almost got shot, but was saved by the art. Listen, I'm not going to lie. I read that story, and I just sat on the couch like, holy shit.
Wow.
Like,
I was reading it. I was like, is this a script?
I was like, yo, we got to make this into a movie. Dick Wolf.
That's it.
There's a movie.
You heard? Yo, listen, we're saying it. That means we're doing it.
We're going to get Morris Chestnut to play him.
You can steal the idea.
It's going to be great. Who can we get to play with the girl that runs out the car?
Who could play us? Because there's got to be an extended part of the movie where we meet him.
Oh, no, it's there.
Yeah.
It's there. No, in the movie, like, we're actually going to return fire at the people shooting at him as we push him to safety.
Yep.
He's going to be like, oh, shit, Bodega Boys. And we'll be like, we're not always there when you call, but we're always on time.
That's right.
And maybe Ashanti's there?
Maybe. They got to be there.
She got to be there.
She has to be there.
She's singing through the shootout.
Yo, listen, Ashanti.
She's doing that scooting gift she does.
Oh,
when she's on the floor. Oh, shit.
Yo, listen. Ashanti, text me. We got to do this movie.
We got to do a movie.
What?
Remember her and Ja Rule? At one time in hip-hop, she was so wild. Her and Ja Rule remade Grease for a video. And we thought that shit was lit.
And we were like, yo, that shit is fire, dog.
Fire.
Yo, that is... Did that win awards?
No.
It didn't win an award?
Maybe it won a BET award, but is a BET award really a thing?
It is.
Is
it kind of is. You know how like
if you had your house in Bergen and you won a BET award,
they'd be in the garage.
There you go.
But look,
there you go. In a box that's marked miscellaneous.
You know what I'm saying? Exactly. But like I would take it out. I would look at like like my son's karate trophy or some shit.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Or like his little baseball, like led the league in triples award or whatever, and then pull the BET award out and be like, yo, this is ill.
Isn't that like?
And then I have like a flashback to the green room, like, yo,
isn't that like a participation award? That's like, yo, you showed up to the BET award.
It kind of is. It kind of is. But it's dope because like those awards are ill because when you win them, there's a whole set of memories that goes with those awards. So I'll look at that BET award and I'm like, damn, dog, we was in the green room. Rihanna was jerking Desus off while he was eating a kind bar and shit.
Wow.
She was so lit, bro.
Wow.
She was so
lit. You have
lit.
to respect Rihanna's agency.
You know
She's dating Drake now.
She is?
Yes.
Oh, shit.
Yes.
That
was the whole thing. This whole thing. I'm not, you know what I'm saying? Not feeling that.
Nah, I don't know if you
it's
like
all right,
that.
though. She'll be back. They always come back.
Yo.
Also,
Drake
did you see Joe Budden?
Drake is shenanigans.
Yeah, shenanigans. Listen. True love always wins out over shenanigans. Okay, that's Desus' hot take fuego. All right? If you know you're supposed to be with your boo,
but this is what you do.
Even if they're like throwing dick on the side to other people, like y'all will be together.
You gotta let them be together. Yo, but you gotta do this for the culture, my nigga. You have to do this. Steal Rihanna away from Drake, right?
No.
Because when P&D stole Shorty back from Kyrie Irving, he went on to just spaz in the finals.
Right.
And if you steal Rihanna away from Drake, he will drop a fire album to make up for, you know what I'm saying?
He has to respond to Joe Budden. Have you heard the second?
No.
Dog.
I haven't heard the first one.
Dog. Listen. I
have no desire. If you were like, yo, what would you like more right now? The rest of this bag of chips or to hear that Joe Budden chip? I would I would undoubtedly pick these chips.
Okay, here's the thing.
No
I'm not
what.
the biggest rappity rap guy. Hate that shit.
But he came with straight facts?
It wasn't even straight facts. Because even if he just came with straight facts, facts don't matter. Black lives matter. Facts don't matter. But the flow was ill. He incorporated Drake's actual lines back at him. He pointed out facts. You know what I'm saying? Like, he was spitting.
Did he go too hard, though?
The second one, he went a little. It wasn't hard, like kicking him in the head on the ground shit, but he was pointing out shit like,
Did he go too hard? Because sometimes when you go too hard, that plays against you when you drop a diss
No,
track.
he was pointing out facts like how like Drake be like hopping on people's tracks and shit and biting their flow, and then that shit appears like how he bit Migos flow from Versace, and that shit popped up on his album and shit like that. Or how, like people were waiting for a Party Next Door album, but Party Next Door is always on Drake's. Like Drake takes tracks for shit like that. Like I don't know their relationship and shit like that,
Right.
but
can I come through with the Fuego take right now?
Here comes the Fuego take.
It is fucking 2016, fam.
Yeah.
Everybody hears everybody's music. Everything, like, there's no such shit as regional anymore, really, because of the internet.
Right.
So, like, everybody is influenced by everybody. So, like, Drake getting on a Migos song and doing a Migos flow or whatever, that's a good thing.
That's
you know what I'm
a good
saying?
thing.
Because it's like, it opens up. Now people that have never heard Migos before are like, oh, shit, Migos.
Oh, wow. You sound like BuzzFeed when they take people and instead of paying them, they be
No,
like,
no.
yo,
That's
here's
corny.
exposure.
That's corny. No, that's corny.
Actually, I'm kidding.
Because
They
they're
don't
not
do
peers.
that. But, allegedly.
Nigga just snuck a Fuego take in there.
Oh,
How
wow.
you came with the Fuego sub take?
That's something. Right. No, that's like, but what Joe was saying, like an example was how Drake was on the Fetty Wap My Way
Right.
remix, but didn't show up for the video. You know what I'm saying? Like that kind of shit is
He
just
maced
like,
them?
like who benefits in that?
He maced them.
He
Did he
maced
ask
them.
for 30 grand
You know
to
what
be
I'm
in the
saying?
video?
So, and Drake, and then he has like pictures and he has like audio, but he also wrote a letter to Drake.
See, but then this is where I was gonna go with that.
This is where the paths diverge.
This is what I said. Like, did he go too hard? My nigga, you dropped 1,008 bars. I'm sure that there's 18 minutes of rapping combined with these disses.
Yes.
And then on top of that, you got to write an open letter on Instagram?
But the thing is, like, they have a relationship. That's why I'm not like, yo, this is wild sus. Like, Drake was like, yo, that's my mentor when they used to hang and shit like that.
Okay.
So it's like,
I mean,
you gotta let it. Listen, you can't get involved. You just gotta watch it from the outside.
those niggas they're natural enemies, bro, because whenever there's like predators in like the jungle, like lions and hyenas are natural enemies because they're both hunting gazelle. Joe Budden and Drake are both hunting Dominican bitches all the time.
There you go.
So they're natural enemies.
There you
You
go.
know what I'm saying? Like,
There can only be one.
There can only
Highlander.
be one, dog. Come on, dog. Come
You gotta
on.
cut each other's heads off
That's
on top
it.
of a cliff.
Bro, come on. For your senior, dog. For your
Listen,
senior's
there
love.
can only be one king of Washington Heights.
You know what I'm saying?
There can
The
only
Don
be
of Dykeman.
the master of hookah. The lord of Aldo shoes.
You know what I'm saying?
The master of mofongo.
Only one black dude could dance bachata at one time. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on.
2 men enter in white linen. Only one can leave. Oh. Speaking of white linen, Azalea Banks released a video explaining why she's...
Damn! Stop! Yeah.
Yeah, she said there's no difference between...
Yeah, seriously, crack another beer, my nigga. After that one.
Beer, all right? I'm going in. It's 11 o'clock, all right?
Yeah.
We're right on time. God's working on all of us, but so is this alcohol. No, she said there's no difference. Gotta hear both sides. There's no difference between when black women get blonde weaves and contacts, and that's what she's doing with the bleaching. And you know what the thing is? It's Azalea Banks. Like, what do you even say to this at this
You know what
point?
Azalea Banks does? She buries a very valid point in a mound of the worst pit bull wet bum shit. And, like, I don't want to dig through all the wet bum shit to get one good point.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
So, I think the video was something like 25 minutes or something like that.
Yeah.
Listen, Ma.
It's a lot. It's a lot. I won't watch an episode of 30 Rock on Netflix. You think I'm going to listen to you rant?
My chest gets tight if someone posts a 45-second video on
Come
Twitter.
on.
I'm like, dog, I don't got no date for this.
I start checking my
I
watch. I
start
don't even got to
scrolling
watch.
through it like, yo, what happens at the end? Someone get shot?
So, yo.
You know what I'm saying?
Does the cop shoot somebody? I don't care.
I can't
You know what I'm saying? I don't care if that's how it happened. It's crazy, bro.
Ableist term.
Oh, man.
You gotta get that out your vocabulary. You know what the thing is? Because crazy in the Bronx means a totally different thing.
Yeah.
But because
It's actually a positive.
yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
it's lit.
Like, yo, that shit is crazy good.
It's crazy good. It's a
Yeah.
good thing.
It's crazy lit, that party.
It's,
You know what I'm saying?
it's true. So there's different aspects. We're just trying to be good people. God's working on all of us.
Yeah.
Like, listen, you didn't hear any misery Mero, any dark Jesus yet.
Not yet.
You know what I'm saying? Even with all the darkness going on, you know, things are
I can't be miserable when I'm eating these delicious snacks.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Red Bull.
How was your July 4th? I actually have not seen Mero all week.
Yo.
So
I've been
I can't caught up. I haven't had the Jew facts.
Right. I've been in the crib with the cones.
Yeah.
You already know. I've been in the crib. Shout out to Nick Whitefeld. Shout out to Dan Whitefeld. Came to the crib on July 4.
Oh, nice.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, nice.
You know what I'm saying? Gang,
Jews.
gang. You know what I'm saying?
Bang, bang, Jew gang.
All day. You know what I'm saying?
Do you guys compare foreskins?
No.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? We didn't. We stayed away from that. You know what I'm
All
saying?
I heard that was a thing.
Is it?
That's what I did
I
with
don't
my
know,
Jewish
man.
friend. Okay.
Shout out to
I guess you lied to me, Iran.
yo, shout out to that dude. But yeah, nah. She was chill, bro. Yo, I did exactly what I told motherfuckers I was gonna do. I laid in a hammock with headphones on and smoked the weed and listened to French Montana Kodak Black Lockjaw on repeat
Okay.
for several hours. It was so good. Like, I was looking up at the sky and I was like, damn, life is so great.
Is it?
Yeah.
Things are good.
I was like, damn, like the sky was mad clear. There's just like a couple clouds and shit.
It was a
and I'm just
beautiful
like
day.
blowing weed. I'm like, yo, it's so beautiful. And then I was like, yo, it's not even that hot. It's hot enough for you to be outside
Yeah,
and
it
be
wasn't,
barbecuing
like,
and be
blazing.
like, yeah. Where a cold beer is like mad refreshing, but it's not like blazing where you're dying. Like,
Yeah.
you know? Beautiful times. You know what I'm saying? What about you?
L'chaim.
You know what I'm saying?
July 4th. What
You on
did
day
I
party?
do? Actually, no. I went to a day party on the Saturday. Shout out to Mix Pack.
Shout out to Mix Pack. Shout out
It
to
was out
Jillionaire,
there.
yo.
Jillionaire
Word,
was
chicken
out
and beer.
there.
You know
Shit
what I'm
was
saying?
out there.
Yeah.
Jubilee.
Yeah, shout out to
She was
Jubilee.
lit. Listen, La Marino
gang.
was. That shit was right.
Yeah.
That shit was right. 2 weeks in a row.
You already know.
I'm turning into a thought. What did I do for July
Did you pull
4th?
up in a yacht?
I didn't. Next time though, that's on a jet ski or something. What I do for July 4th? I actually did not celebrate July 4th because fuck this country.
Yeah.
I
Oh, yeah,
refuse
no.
to engage in this imperialist, white supremacist, capitalist patriarchy.
Yeah.
It's
funny 'cause
I
I was
didn't even
like-
wear a flag shirt
Yeah, no, I didn't.
because I felt like America was gonna do some fuck shit this week. I didn't get to wear my favorite outfit, my flag shirt, my camo shorts, and my Jordans.
Yeah.
My Jordan 7s maybe.
I mean, honestly, I was having a barbecue because it was 85 degrees out.
Yeah.
I honestly didn't even realize that it was July 4th until later that night and I started hearing gunshots.
Yeah.
I was celebrating it being nice. You know what I'm saying? I literally had on a shirt that said Dominican Republic.
I made a joke
The
about
real red, white, and blue.
I made a joke about we should add a line about drones to the Star Spangled Banner.
Wow.
And somebody was like, yo, I usually fuck with you, but you went too far talking about the banner. Yo,
You said some shit with Serena Williams on a flag and you're like the only flag we bang with and,
Yes.
and mad people were in their feelings.
So be in your
And
fucking
comments.
feelings.
I was like, wow. I was like,
Yeah.
damn.
See,
I was
that's what
like,
I'm saying,
why
like-
are they so mad?
Niggas, it's like the LeBron and Durant thing. Like, niggas love a good Desus tweet if that shit is chuckle, quack, haha, LOL, not LMLO. Let me steal this for fucking the Dory account. But let me speak on like some black shit, and all of a sudden I make niggas uncomfortable. Oh, wow. You know what I'm saying? Now all of a sudden shit is problematic. Now it's just like I wish he would stick to joking off shit, and you know. But nah, nigga, every day teach our devils.
Whole package, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? Coming at you, niggas.
This is Young Fuego every day. No
every
days
day.
Off.
These is RGB. RBG?
RG.
I'm trying to get back to the feeling I felt the first time I heard the Dead Prez album.
Oh, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Hell
hip,
yeah.
Hip, hop.
Oh, man.
Hip,
hell yeah.
hop. You was ready for the revolution
Oh,
and
man.
shit.
I was ready to rob every piece
See,
of
that's the problem. Like, we were getting ready for the revolution, but other people are not on the same time as you. Mm-hmm. So it's just like, you can't start the revolution because if I just run out in the street right now like, yo, Libertad, and I start smashing windows, the cops are going to shoot me down. Of course. Everyone's going to be like, yo, what happened to Desus? Now, if we all time it together, we'll have a better chance.
That'd be lit.
But then there's a problem who people, you know, like people want to come with their own agenda. You know what I'm saying? They want to show up at 3:30.
Here's a hot take for you.
Here's a hot take.
It's also in the form of a question. Do you think that Kanye West could be like a Cyrus and get mad people to unite and start like riots and shit like that in New York City?
He could. He would never do that. That would not benefit him in any fashion.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I'm not saying
he could. He totally could.
That's what I'm saying.
He totally could, but he would never do that. Like that.
No, I wouldn't expect him to.
No, he
but I'm just saying hypothetically.
Like if you want to quell, like if some black guy's starting a revolution and shit, if you want to stop him from starting a revolution,
who could do it?
Get him involved in the Kardashians.
Oh,
if you want to stop Durant, make him date a Kardashian. Swear to God. No more that blue vest.
Oh man,
he ain't doing no more fucking black fist emoji tweets to people. He gonna be tweeting out, "Catch me tonight on keeping up with the Kardashians."
Quit it now.
Yo, shout out to Desus. Yo, Desus played that Rage Against the Machine song in the office the other day, and I was like, bruh, you know when something just sparks something in your brain and you have no idea what it's from?
Early Rage Against the Machine was like, yo, that was like, all right, let's start making pipe bombs and shit.
That was like mad angry music.
That was angry music.
Yeah.
And then what happened?
But yeah, so Keeping Up with Kardashians, you know, it's acronymized as KUWTK.
Yes.
That sounds like what Zach De La Roca is saying on that song. Quit it now! Am I right or am I right? Thank you. Talk to me in the comments.
That was good.
You know what I'm saying?
That was good. You know
what I'm saying?
I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of you.
I feel like a father on draft night.
You know what I'm saying?
Like, yo, this is good.
Yo, speaking of father on draft night, I asked people on Twitter, what sport should my children play? What do you think I should indoctrinate my children
Cricket.
To? Cricket? Do they get paid a lot?
I have no fucking idea. A lot? Yeah, they
Sheldon's
do.
like, yo, they get guap.
They get guap. Also, their games are like 3 days long. They get a nice sweater.
What do they do? How do you play cricket? Yo, because I watch cricket, I'm like, yo, it looks like baseball with one base.
Let me explain cricket Desus style.
Please.
For you Americans.
Please.
First of all, the bat is also the paddle that Kappas use to spank themselves on the butt when you join their fraternity.
What?
So also, now you take some billiard balls and you take like 3 sticks of sugarcane and they're behind the guy in a white Coogee sweater. And he has like shins on. So now you take like an IV ball that's very dangerous and you chuck it really fast at your head. Mm-hmm. Now you have to whack it with the fraternity ass smacking paddle, but you don't want to hit it too hard. Also, you want to look cool when you're hitting it, so you come down low like that, and then it goes in there, and then you just run back and forth between some bases. No one understands how it works, but there's like some scoring thing, and you can either get 8 points or 138 points.
So it's like a fencing.
Is that about it, Sheldon? Is that how cricket works? No, not close. I watched my grandfather. Rest in peace, Grandpa. I watched him watch a cricket match for 3 days.
It's so ill.
He would wake up in the morning. And I was like, is this a different one? He's like, no, it's the same one.
I seen that shit.
We were in proper England, so I couldn't question it. You know what I'm saying? Also, I got in trouble because they had the thing in, I think it's the Sun or something. Mm-hmm. The page 6 girl, she's usually nude. Mm-hmm. And when I came there, like my father had a calendar of the page 6 models. Then the topless. He's an old man. He's in the 90s. He wants to look some titties. And at
that age, you could do whatever you want.
Yeah. And I had like ripped out. There was like this black chick with like these beautiful nipples, and I was like the wild little kid. But
nipples.
I was like, yo,
you recognize beautiful nipples?
I knew. Yeah. I was like, yo, I don't know what's going on in my pants.
Yeah,
but I need to bring this. I need to bring this photo home back to America for And then I also have to find out what the hell masturbation is.
Yeah.
So
you were halfway in between, like when you nourished from a nipple and when you like were excited by a nipple. Dog.
So I ripped it out his calendar because it was like she was like it's February and I think it was like July.
Right.
So I was like, good money. Like he's just gonna throw it out. We go back. Apparently he must check the calendar every day.
Oh no.
Because he saw it was missing and he told my mother. And she went through my pocket and found it.
Yo, it's so ill.
And she had to spank me in front of him because he was like, you ruined my calendar. I was like, damn.
It's so ill when you realize that old men in your family beat their meat because you beat your meat.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like I had an uncle be drunk one time and tell me a story about how he had a dream that he was smashing his mistress.
Wow.
But he woke up and he was in bed with his wife and he tried to smash and she was like, yo, get the fuck out of here. She curved him. So he was like, I went to the bathroom, I beat my meat.
That's so sad.
I was like, you old drunk. I was like, bro. I was like, damn, nigga, you like 70. How do you even do it? You know what I'm saying?
I mean, listen, the sex drive never goes. It doesn't go away
ever, right?
Because when you're young, when you're young, you think 30 is old, and you're like, ew, people having sex after 30. Like, people would smash their way into their 90s. People
start really fucking after 30, I think.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because women have that sexual renaissance.
And you know what you're good at and what you're not good at,
yeah.
and so you play up to your strengths. Yeah. And then you find someone who's compatible for your strengths.
Yeah.
Like, if your whole thing is, like, just beating the brakes off some shit, you find a chick that likes that kind of thing.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? You don't want no ooch ouch girl. Like,
yeah.
ow,
yeah. My cervix.
Ouch. Ow. Ow. Do you have another pillow? Ow.
Another pillow.
Ow. Okay. All right. Stop.
That's actually the worst. That's actually the worst because
you know what? I haven't experienced that like in years.
Yeah, me neither. In like fucking millenniums.
Because you know, you get the older, seasoned oak barrel chokes.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Women who know what they want.
Yeah.
You know, women who they say to you, listen, I like it like this. I like it like that.
Yeah.
I like
it like that.
That's what it sounds like living next door to Mero. Constantly. Just constantly. The mad kids. I had a neighbor. I don't know if he was like running some sort of bootleg radio station in Havana or some shit. At 5 a.m. every Saturday, it was like just nonstop merengue.
You know what it is? We clean the crib at 5 a.m. on the weekend.
And like
my mom's used to be up, son.
I would see him in the hall, and I'd be like, "Yo, you alright?" And he's like, "Yeah, you like the music, right?" Bala. I'm like, "Nah, man."
Yeah.
Suavemente. Like, no suavemente. It is 7 a.m. This is my one day off.
I just picture singing Jesus like with the pillow around his head, like. My
poor dog is just looking at me like. I'm like, yo. One time I banged on the thing and he turned it up. He thought I was banging in time to the music. Like the shit was lit. I'm like, nah, nigga, I gotta get up tomorrow.
Nigga came out to the flute solo.
At one point, I was like, wait a minute. Yeah. That electric piano was not part of the song. He's playing that live.
Niggas going mad coke on his nose and shit. Niggas doors are, you can walk in on him because his doors are locked.
He's like, hey,
papi, what's up, papi? He'll be like, papi, I had a conga, papi. Boom, 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 boom. Next thing you know, you in there getting coked up when they were playing the congas.
I'm just playing the triangle while it's just like, he's lit.
He's lit, papi. He's lit.
Duty drop. Live from Red Bull Havana Studios.
Yo, from Dora Rojo Studios.
220 Castro Street.
Oh my
God. The drop is the wild communist. We pledged leadership to Fidel Castro forever, and we will drink Red Bull.
Oh my God. I'm about to joke. Yo, I'm just imagining, Bodega Hive, please join me and visualize our pal Desus in the wild salsa puffy shirt playing the triangle like ding, 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 ding. Yo.
Just mad greased up, my hair slicked back.
Like, yo.
I'm doing the wild zesty arm movements. I'm doing that wild smile. It's not even my teeth from now.
No.
It's like racist teeth number 5. They're perfect and white and
perfect.
Fake. And I'm
perfectly
fake.
Oh, God.
You know what? If that's what I gotta do to move into that building.
Yo,
listen, when I drop this merengue album,
fam, you gotta get cool with the super.
Hey, coming to the stage, the melodic Moreno. I'm like, wait, that's not cool, y'all.
Desus Cristo.
Hey, hello, Sabigo Gigante. They're like, this is not Sabigo Gigante. This is BronxNet.
Yeah.
This is local Bronx programming. Only 70 people are watching this.
Let me give a shout outs to 20 of them and shit. Oh man. Shout out to Public Access. Shout out to BronxNet.
I was looking at BronxNet and they had like a terrible show. Well, most of the shows are terrible on there. But I was like, wow, that's somebody doing what we're doing.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Remember when they used to have fire? Like they had Ghettonomics, they had Sex Boogie, Entertainment Vibes. Stacy's Bashment was always lit.
That's
you know what I'm saying?
Yep.
If you couldn't get the Pasa Pasa DVDs, that shit was always on flames.
Pasa Pasa.
You know what I'm saying? What else they have? They have mad shit.
That shit. And then like B-Cat in Brooklyn had Bobby Simmons. You know what I'm saying? That kind of thing. You need public access because
Manhattan had fucking Robert Byrd. Pino on TV.
I read about that from Wikipedia because I'm a millennial. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yo, Robert Bird's still cooking, B.
Is she?
I mean, I don't know if she's right now, but she was definitely cooking into the aughts.
Oh. See, I don't know that. Though. I don't masturbate and watch porn. I just read my Bible.
That was ill because
I'm actually on Song of Solomon, chapter 12. I asked the Bodega Hive to join me as we do a scripture read-along every week.
Divine Jesus, ladies and gentlemen.
Divine Jesus. You know how mad God's going to be? Because on my deathbed, I'm going to be like, it's a prank, bro.
It's a prank, bro. It's a prank, bro.
He's going to be like, fuck. Got him. I'm in the loophole.
Niggas skated to heaven like, got him.
I'm scamming my way into heaven. I'm going to look like Joanne the Scammer. Using someone else's identity to get past the pearly gates.
Oh, my God.
They're going to be like, oh, welcome, Mr. Warren Buffett. I'm like, yes, thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Okay, where's my sweet?
Here's your sweet made from dead slaves. Oh, they got dark fast.
Yo. Speaking of dead slaves,
speaking of dead slaves, let's see where you're going with this.
No, I watched this is a total curve into fantasy white people bullshit.
Okay.
I was watching Game of Thrones, and they had this wild scene where the White Walkers had like an army of undead soldiers,
right?
And they came over this wall. This is what because now niggas are doing TV now.
Was that big battle? It was like a huge battle scene.
Yeah.
I read about that.
Yeah, because now this is like now we're doing TV, so now I'm like watching TV different. You know what I'm saying? Like, because I said the other day on Twitter, I was like, "Yo, Friends was whack." Like, I didn't watch Friends. You know what I'm saying?
I've seen one episode of Friends.
That's what I'm saying. Like, when that shit was out, I didn't watch it. Now it's on Netflix. I watched like 2 episodes of it. I was like, it's still not my thing, but I get it.
I don't get it. That's
like,
not
I
New York.
I understand why it was cool.
I can see it, but that's not New York. That's not a realistic depiction of New York.
That's what it was.
You ain't got no black friends?
This is my thing, the appeal of Friends. It was a huge hit because, number one, it appealed to white people because it was all white people, and it was in New York City, but it was like safe New York City. It was fake safe New York City, which also appeals to like Middle America. So of course the shit was like a mad huge hit. If like if Middle America fucks with you, you're eating.
Seinfeld.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Big Bang Theory? No, not Big Bang Theory. What's the other one?
Big Bang Theory to me is not funny
How
at
I Met
all.
Your Mother?
How I Met Your Mother to me is not funny at all.
Oh, that shit.
Seinfeld got moments to me, but How I Met Your Mother, all that shit to me is not funny at all. You know
How I Met Your Mother has some funny moments, but not like, yo, I'm gonna turn to watch this shit.
Yeah.
But it's like if this shit was on in the background, like I could see the
you could just
like that.
I
That's
feel
what
like
you
there's
need
a
for
lot of
syndication. Syndication should be bland.
Yeah.
Syndication is like
Soylent.
It's like there's the girl that you love. And like when you see her, she makes your heart tingle and she makes all your emotions come out and shit. Yeah. Then there's like the other girl, the safe girl. Yeah. The girl who's like, you see her, it's like, she's cool.
Yeah.
You know, she's good enough.
Yeah.
And it's like, you know, like you know you'd be happy with. She's alright.
Yeah, she's alright.
Like you could be with her and shit. But like, you know, she's out there for, you know, you could be with her for the duration. There's no ups and downs with the shit. Yeah. And that's what syndication is. It's like make a bland enough show that people will settle for. That there's nothing else on TV, and I will settle for watching this shit. That was a hot take.
It was.
But I feel like I brought it around. It's true.
Yo, mainstream TV kind of sucks. You know what I'm saying? So that's why niggas is here to fix it.
We are here to fix it.
You know what I'm saying?
We are.
So you know.
We are low-flying angels.
That's it.
I don't want to say we're gas. Also, last week we announced the Be Excellent Academy.
That's right.
We were drunk and high when we mentioned it.
Talking to angel investors, we're drunk and high right now.
But actually, people have reached out.
Uh-huh.
So what we're gonna try to do? We're trying to do 1,000 book bags with school supplies for kids in the Bronx for the first day of school.
Let's do it.
So we'll probably, I don't know how to do that. I don't want to get involved with the money. I feel like if I set up in my bank account name, one of these little kids going to say, Jesus touched me, and then they'll sue me. Nope, not fall for that.
No.
I watched Law &
I don't
Order.
want you to go down like Jared.
That.
I have a contingency plan for that. We talked about it
You're
like
not
episode
doing that.
like 5.
You're not catching me out here.
But I don't want to do it. I don't want to have to employ that contingency plan.
NYPD has a laminated poster for me. Call it Operation Sticky Fingers or some shit like that.
And then chill. That's crazy.
He wanted to give the kids bags, but then he had the little kids touching his bag. No, Commissioner Bratton, you're not catching me out there.
Yeah, fucking Desus nice. More like fucking Desus fucking diddling kids. More like diddling kids nice.
Desus Fuego, more like Desus Pedo.
Yeah, fucking pedo, fucking maniac.
Kids. Huh? Be Excellent Academy.
Whoa, kid. Whoa, what are you doing? What are you touching kids, bro?
Oh.
What are you fucking touching kids?
Oh, okay. Huh? He wants to give back to the community?
Oh.
Give back what, trauma?
What? Huh? What are you giving back? Gallons of semen, you fucking sick fucking schmuck? Huh?
Okay. You're making the art. I didn't know the art was kiddie porn.
Oh, yeah? Huh? You fucking schmo. What is this? Is this a picture of a kid? You fucking sick maniac.
Not sick, they're going to be on Bronx 12.
Yeah, I guess my nephew.
They're going to be like, local fallen hero, Desus Nice, was arrested for touching children from his Be Excellent Academy.
That's the worst.
No, the worst. I just figured out something even worse now about life. If your downfall gets turned into a plot for Law and Order. Oh. That's the lowest.
SVU.
Because that shit is always running somewhere.
Yeah.
So you just minding your business, low at home.
You might have did 3 years and came home.
You get home, you forgot about, you turned it around and shit. Now you turn.
Ding, ding.
Oh. Hey, kids, want book bags?
Yeah. Can I have a book bag? Jesus, I love you.
Yeah. Hey, why don't you come in this back room? I'll give you a special book bag.
Oh, man, Jesus Rice is the best. Oh. He's the best basketball player ever.
Oh, and that's like, doom. Coroner's report reports ligature marks to the boy's neck, and there's a severe trauma to the rectum.
Jesus Rice was the last person seen with him.
Hey, is that a Chicago hat? I seen this before. In Chicago, they call this a wag 'em and tag 'em. They put cinnamon in the little boy's butthole, and then they make him think he's dancing on air.
Oh, man. Does he really like cocaine, or does he just like the way it smells?
This Desus guy's a real bad apple. I know a guy uptown that might be able to get him.
Let's go talk to him.
Don't.
179th Street, Bronx, New York.
Yeah,
it's
Papi.
Like, Papi, what's you saying to me? I don't know anything.
Anybody.
Huh?
I don't know nothing about no Desus.
What you mean you don't know anybody? You know Jesus Rice. You know Jesus Rice, dog.
Hey, I don't know.
You're Spanish. Spanish people eat rice.
I don't know.
You raped her. I still always gotta say that thing. You raped her.
It has nothing to do with the show.
Nothing.
It's like the episode's about computer crime.
I used to work in narcotics. You raped her. Like what, nigga? What the fuck? Those things don't make sense.
But no, we are gonna get the Be Excellent Academy happening.
Yep.
Your kids will be safe. Don't worry. We will only use them for sketches, not sketchy things. You know.
Teach them,
kids be safe.
Teach them how to act.
We'll give them 5 sheets of loose leaf, like how the New York Public Library used to give you only 5 sheets to print out stuff from the internet.
And an unsharpened pencil.
Yes. A protractor that they could also sharpen into a weapon if niggas is acting the fuck up at school. Because the Be Excellent Academy is about being excellent, but it's also about not being a punk.
It's about being aware of your surroundings.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
We're going to teach girls how to deal with catcalls and shit. We're going to give them mace and teach them how to keep Gemstar razors under their tongue in case a chick want to think she's cute while they're changing classes. That might be only for West Indian chicks. We're still figuring that out.
We're still figuring it out, but hey.
It's lit.
You know what I'm saying? My dear friend Stacey Ann is going to teach that class. Yeah. She's really good. Her and Yesenia. I'm going to co-teach. You know what I'm saying?
Also, there's going to be other classes like What You Say? 301. That's where we teach you how to throw bleach.
Yeah.
You know, it's going to be lit. It's going to be lit.
Yeah. Oh,
just think about that first fucking, what's a prestigious magazine we should aim for? You said Black Tail?
You said Black Tail.
Wow. Shout out to Victor who's taking a booking nap on the floor. Just throwing it out there. No, we're gonna be like Us Weekly, and it's gonna be like the Be Excellent Academy is gonna be me and you, arms crossed, back to back, with like mad little black and Latino and POC kids.
POC kids.
Little persons of colors. POC kids.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, what's Pocky? Is Pocky that shit with the chocolate you eat it with a stick?
No, those are Pakistanians when they move into your neighborhood and you don't like them. Shout out Grind Boys, them Grind Boys. Oh. No, I didn't. That first time I heard that slur was in Birmingham. Yeah. Somebody was like, filthy Packies. And I was like, whoa. Pocky is the Japanese, that Japanese weirdo stuff.
That Japanese weirdo stuff. Is weirdo an ableist term?
Is weirdo ableist? Probably.
Everything's it.
Listen, I can only undo one ableist slur at a time.
You gotta give us time, yo.
So, God's working on all of us.
We've been working on crazy.
I
fucked up a lot this week. You know
said
what I'm saying?
not rape, retard.
I said retard once.
Said that, you know
that was bad, you know what I'm saying? So
like,
we're working on it.
We're keeping it clean.
I got a little anecdotal right now that I'm writing. I'm not.
It's gonna be lit.
You know what I'm saying? But whatever.
Did you know that the new Apple phones are gonna have technology that will allow people to block if you can take videos?
Emoji's still gonna be way more fire than any other phone.
All right, but what about videos of cops killing people? Don't you think that's more important than emojis?
Damn, I didn't even think about it like that. I thought about like concerts. I was like, who wants to fuck?
See, that's what they tell you. See, that's how the Illuminati works, because the Illuminati never sleeps, like Wendy Williams.
Oh shit.
Okay.
I just did the Wendy Williams gif look.
Did you see what she said
What'd you
yesterday about? She didn't know what the NAACP stood for.
Stop
And she
it.
also said that having historically black colleges and universities is racist.
Wendy Williams in that?
Mm-hmm.
She must have cleared $1 million a year.
Probably.
That's what happens when people make more than $1 million. You said before, when you get rich, the shit with the Kardashians, same shit. When you get rich, you become a dick.
You get out of touch.
Wild out of touch.
Can't wait.
You just start relating, because you start hanging around rich people, and they just start saying like, "This shit isn't really a problem.
Yeah.
Our life is cool.
Yeah.
Our life is so cool." You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, this
If you're
shit never happens to
you're like
us.
a black celebrity and you're just like getting car service back and
Yeah,
shit.
you don't see
you're not
life,
dealing with the
nigga. You
cops.
don't see nothing really popping in the hood. J-Lo came back to the hood and probably was like shocked. Was like, "Oh shit, I forgot all about this shit."
She didn't even come back to the hood.
She drove through
did. She did for the yeah.
She drove through it. You know what I'm saying? And when she's driving through, looking out the window, like, yeah.
In
damn.
what? The Fiat?
A Fiat.
No, she didn't. In that video.
I know she didn't really drive through. Fuck, come on, nigga,
Oh,
damn.
no. That's like the biggest Bronx legend right now.
I got.
And she dubbed us. She was like, "Go back to the Bronx. Fuck out of here. Do this shit on the green screen, my nigga."
She should have just really drove. I would have respected her. Listen, shout out to you. Listen, I respect you because you come from Castle Hill and you made it and you're a millionaire.
Right.
And you're talented. Shout out to you.
She just came back to the hood, J-Lo.
Just come back to the hood,
Came back
dog.
to the hood.
Just
still
drive
in
the
the
Fiat through the hood with the GoPro on the dash, b.
Yeah.
Giving people daps. That's way more cool.
That's
than
a much
stupid,
better commercial.
Much better commercial.
Yo, people make such terrible commercials.
Terrible
nowadays.
commercials, dog. I keep thinking like, why don't we just start a fucking ad agency, dog?
Just make commercials.
You know what I'm saying?
I
Like,
feel
yo,
like maybe we might end up that way.
you know what I'm saying?
I want to see
wild.
where we're at in 10 years. In 10 years, we're either wash fucking bums in front of like King's Royal Bodega on fucking Sedgwick, or we're just gonna rule the world.
Yeah.
Imagine we get to a point where we're larger than Kanye. Not even imagine. It's gonna happen.
Yeah, it's gonna happen.
I feel the career trajectory is that. Somebody said this podcast is maybe like a third of it is us sucking our own dick. And you know what the thing is?
So what?
If you were making fire art like this that saved people's lives, maybe you would too.
Remember when
If
LeBron
you've
was like,
been
yo,
through what we've been through.
Yeah.
Look at all the bullshit I've been through.
Yeah, that's true.
So-called beef with you know who.
Yo, niggas deserve it.
Fuck the female stars.
That's right. That's right.
Okay, that was
one. So he just got like one.
Bone, bone, bone.
What you
bow,
gonna do?
bow.
Right on.
That's a good song.
That's a great song.
What do you think about Wait to Chicago?
Oh wow.
Did you? Are you just
No, I
finding-
did. No,
oh,
I
okay.
did. I just called me
I thought
because
you
I was
just found out about it from
no,
me.
I was super in Biggie mode already.
Right.
I was thinking about it, how dope that song is and how like when it comes on, you just hear it's Bone and Biggie, and you're like, oh shit, you get hype. But anyway, Wait to Chicago. It makes sense. He's from Chicago, but it doesn't make sense because like I said a joke yesterday where I was like, yo, Wade is so washed that he got traded to daytime TV because he's doing like live with Kelly Ripa or some shit. And people are like, yo, he's not washed. He averaged 20 a game last season. How could he be washed? You can average 20 a game and be washed in the NBA, fam. Like, you know, he's not the Dwayne Wade that won in 06. That's what I mean.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
TC Devils.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? You can sign niggas to a $70 million contract. No, go ahead. You know what I'm saying? Be my guest.
I can't wait until.
But they got Jimmy Butler. And they got Rondo, right? Rondo went over there?
I believe so, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, listen, let's see what happens.
I can't wait till you replace Mike Francesa.
Oh, man. I'll be falling asleep way more than him.
That shit's going to be that.
Victor, bring me another Diet Coke. Derek Jeter's greatest baseball player of all time. You got any arguments? Call me 1-800-223-9797.
Hi, Mero.
Yeah, how you doing?
Hi. It's Jonathan from Ithaca.
Hey, Jonathan, what do you got for me?
First time, long time, Mero.
Hey, nice to meet you. Great.
First of all, I want to say beautiful.
You got a question? What's up?
First of all, you have beautiful kids, and
Thank you.
I'm gonna ask this question and hang
I
up.
appreciate it, buddy. A question, please.
Here's my question.
Thank you. Question. Victor, I got another Diet Coke. I'm sorry.
Kevin Durant. We trade Kevin Durant.
Yeah.
For Henrik Lundqvist.
Boop, you're crazy. This guy's crazy. I mean, why would you even do that? Kevin Durant, first of all, he's black.
Sorry, dog. I lost it. Oh God. Oh, this racism's hilarious.
It's so
I love
crazy
this shit.
because I low-key would feel like I could hear him saying that.
I can hear him saying that. Every now and then he would say some shit in coded language. He's like, thugs.
Yeah.
These hip hop generations
You know
and
what I'm
shit.
saying?
I'm like, yo, just come out and say it. Come out and say it, Mike Francesa.
Yo, I will respect all white dudes way more if they were just like, yo, fam, listen.
Mike Francesa, don't let me catch you with Stu Lenders, my nigga. Right?
Smash a Riesling over your wig.
Act like he's saying heavy on I-87, right? Catch you with Stu
We in
Lenders,
there.
Ridge Hill.
All right? You feel me?
Okay.
Nigga, I see your yard house, throw them nachos on your wig, nigga.
Oh, psych for you. Catch you at my vet.
Yo, it's my vet. Yo, remember that dude we seen on fucking 44th? And we were like, yo, you look like Mike Francesa. And he's like, what do you mean? Like, no, that's not me. I was like, yo, Mike Francesa. He's like, yo, that's not. No, oh, you're funny. You're funny. No, this guy's trying to say I look like a fucking fat guy. So I was like, yo, this guy's.
Me and Mero have this game where we're walking home from work and we just randomly call white people celebrities.
Yeah.
Because it's tourist row.
Yeah.
And most of them don't speak English and they're terrified that a Latino and a black guy are just like pointing fingers at them. So it's always fun. Just harassing them.
Yeah.
One of your aunties or cousins visiting America, they got roasted.
Yo, they definitely
Mero hit a
roasted.
guy with one of those and he ran into the street, almost got hit by a truck.
My man had on the fucking like blue suede wingtips.
Yes.
Some wild Italian shit. I was like, Martha Bene, what are those? Nigga did the walk over
He was like,
to the street.
He did the Mr. Krabs meme. He was like, what's going on? A black.
Americanse.
A negro. A grazie, negro.
Negro.
Hey, Moreno. Negro. That's the Italy's national anthem.
Oh my god. Yo, shout out to
racism.
Balotelli.
We should do a
This
show.
is like the racism episode.
We should do a show where we just go to different countries and experience racism.
Yo.
Go fight some skinheads in Russia.
Yo, I was thinking that. I was like, yo, because in the whole, like, getting swept up in the whole shit of, like, yo, the police killings and all that shit, I'm like, yo, I was like, damn, I'm so mad. I was like, yo, fuck this country, I'm out. And I was like,
Where you gonna go?
I was like, do I have an out? I was like, yeah, I can move to the Dominican Republic. That's
Do
the
you
thing.
want to move to the Dominican
That's the thing. When you have a certain level of money, you'll be okay pretty much in most places.
Right.
But, like, the trade-off, I'm like, yo, that's the problem. When people say, like, yo, go back to your own country, especially the immigrants, like, what, go back to your own country.
Right.
Like, fam, people came here because, remember that whole shit, yo, give me your poor, you're tired, all that bullshit? That's why people come here.
Yeah.
And that's why they've been coming here.
Yeah.
And people forget, like,
Here's a hot take.
You know what I'm saying?
Statue of Liberty was the original scammer.
Yeah.
She was trying to get people
yo,
signed up for Wake Up Now.
Yo, come through and work for me for peanuts.
Yo, give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses.
I'm going to have them die in a factory.
Who want residual income.
Yeah.
You want to be your own boss.
Yo.
The whole Ellis Island? Or Ellis Island was niggas showing about, they were showing Primerica presentations and shit. They was like, yo, do you want to live in America?
Yo.
Do you want to be your own boss?
Yo, you want to make your own hours?
Hey.
In the land of opportunity?
Hey, you over there with consumption. you want to double your bank account?
There's no polio over here.
Hey, America, where the streets are paved in tees. Now, watch out. Please step to your left. Someone's throwing garbage out the window on the fourth floor.
Whoa. Damn, New York used to be crazy.
No, it didn't used to. It still is.
It's still crazy.
You know?
But it used to be, like, crazy. Like, people would, like, you know what I'm saying? I was going to say, like, people would kill you. And I was like, yo, it's still, hey.
That's the one thing. New York is, even when it's safe, New York is still, because people were like, New York's not as safe as now. And I'm like, well, maybe where you're at. My neighborhood is still pretty brazy.
Yeah.
Brazy's not an ableist slur.
No.
That's a babelist slur?
It's a different use.
It's a babelist slur. Oh.
Yo. Yeah, they're also dangerous. I feel like I definitely feel safer in my neighborhood than I used to, but
yeah.
But it's just because I'm older now. I don't think it has anything to do with, like, actual numbers of crime.
And stuff. Yeah, because you've been through situations so many times now. You know how to react.
Understand, yeah.
You know how people look, how people are walking, funny and stuff. No, I get it.
Yeah.
I get it. No, but we still got to get the hell out the Bronx.
Yeah.
Like, immediately.
Real estate Desus. I actually saw crib in Paramus. Very nice crib.
Nice.
Yo, listen, if you're Bodega Hive and you have experience doing, like, realtor shit, holla at me. I'm looking for a 5-bedroom. You know what I'm saying? 2+ bathrooms. Gotta have a yard. Gotta have a finished basement. Pool is a plus, but not necessary. And just enough space and storage because I got 3 kids and Heather wants another one. So.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my guy.
Realty Bodega Hive, holla.
My guy. Don't have no more kids, man. Please, you're killing the brand.
I bought Mero 3 to work yesterday.
I saw on Instagram.
Yeah.
I didn't because Young Day Party, he's been chilling this week with my feet up. smoking the Kush. He fucking reenacted Sugar Hill video by AZ.
Boom, 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 boom.
Okay.
That's an ill song. I want to chill.
Miss
Miss Jones?
Wow,
dog.
Yo, Miss Jones, you can tell Miss Jones nothing, man. She was looking right in that video.
Yo, dog, all the neck rolling she was doing in that video, she was feeling herself.
She was
Sipping bubbly, sipping on bubbly.
She had a tight stomach and she had the spandex.
What?
And that's back when, like, in the 90s when spandex had just been invented.
Just
so
been
we were
invented.
just like, wow.
You were doing it.
What
That's
is
spandex.
this?
Yeah, what is this?
How is it conforming to her body?
Oh, my God. What is this sorcery?
Oh, wow.
It's making my boner erect.
Shout out to Miss Jones. What's she up to now?
She's
What's she on? She's a radio host or something.
She's
like
living
that.
lovely, sipping on bubbly.
Yeah, she's out here.
I'm
She's out here living her best life.
Yeah.
Shout out to all my Nubian sisters who went to Essence Fest this weekend. I heard shit was lit.
Yes.
I wasn't able to go out there because I have an open case. I can't travel. I don't know. That's not true.
That's always a great excuse. People will shut right the fuck up when you say that.
It's actually not funny because me and my boys been trying to go to DR for 4 years, and at different points, it's always someone doesn't have a passport, someone has an open case. So
talk to me, man. I got like several passports.
Yeah, but
I got a shit that got a sleeve. You just put your picture.
But these are the kind of people who will get into a fight in a different country, and you like have to come back to go to court there. That kind of bullshit. So you can't really be traveling like that.
Listen, when you travel somewhere and you commit a crime, you got to be like, yo, I'm not coming back here. Or you got to just take that chance, yo. Yo, listen, live life, B.
Nah, my
be
man
reckless.
got to a fight in St. Thomas.
So
and
now-
then, like knocking some kid out in the club.
So what happens? Now he goes, if he flies back there, they got his picture at the airport?
Guess what? St. Thomas is part of the United States.
Oh.
Yeah, game changer.
Oh, shit, I
Here's
know
another
that.
game changer. There's 50 people on St. Thomas. So the person he knocked out, his son was like the only judge of St. Thomas.
It was St. Thomas?
It was St. Thomas.
He knocked out St. Thomas himself?
So he had to come back to New York, and then he had to buy a plane ticket
Chill.
to go back to court
No,
down there.
no.
Or they would expedite him
Wild.
back to St. Thomas.
That's what you got to go do. And just murder somebody, buy mad pussy, do
Just
drugs.
go, when you go out of town, when you go to the Caribbean, just chill and buy some KFC.
Yeah.
Buy a bottle of white Hennessy and be chilling. Get your hair braided.
KFC out there is so good.
It's very good.
It's not wild GMO chicken.
You know why? Because GMO's a Babylon ting.
Babylon ting.
Pure Babylon ting.
Pure Babylon ting. Burn them.
Burn them.
You know what I'm saying?
Burn them. Light them and nash them.
Yo, son. Yeah, it's crazy. But yeah, it's way
Remember,
better. Yo, ketchup
all
to
right,
me tastes
Sheldon,
better
maybe
than
you
Dior.
remember this. Do you remember like there was a summer and they were burning down mad churches in Jamaica? Yes. I'm not saying that's what we need to do. You know what? Wow.
Okay.
You know what? Shout out to Red Bull.
You almost conspired?
Shout out to 220 West 18th Street. I almost just told y'all people to go burn down precincts. Jesus did not say that.
He didn't say that.
I did not say that. I
didn't
stopped
say to do
myself
it.
because God is working on all of us.
Yeah.
It would be problematic for me to say something like
Very
that.
problematic. But what you can do, though, is
Protest in front of them.
protest in front of them, and you go to your building and see what, has a sign like the NYPD clean halls or whatever. Just write "fuck you" on that shit.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying?
Microaggressions. Go play Grand Theft Auto and smash your car into a virtual cop car.
Yep.
And go on a high-speed chase.
High speed chase, kill mad
go.
cops on the video
On the
game.
video game.
In the video
Not real life.
game.
Blue Lives Matter.
You know what I'm saying? And we're talking about Smurfs though.
I was thinking the same thing.
Hey,
Think about it. If a Smurf pulled up behind you, you getting nervous?
Not at all.
You know you're gonna. A Smurf is like, yo, let me see your license
Yeah.
and your ID.
Smurfs
and all
should
that
be
shit.
cops.
And I'd be like, yo, could you get out of here?
Yeah.
I'll call Gargamel.
Please, I'll
Get the
go
fuck outta
Gargamel.
here.
He'll fucking wash you. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to the Snorks.
Snorks, yeah.
That was basically like someone made money off the Smurfs, and we're just like, yo, how can we keep getting money? That was like the Snorks were, I guess, Black China and Rob Kardashian to the actual Kardashians.
Yeah.
This is a spinoff.
Yeah,
Just
it's
keep
like that
getting
one
money.
time the dude came to cop a 20 off of me, and I only had a dime, so I broke up like cigarette tobacco and shit and put it in there to make it look more fat. That's what that guy did with Snorks.
Oh, okay.
He had the 20 with the Smurfs. He smoked half of it, and then he went to go sell the other half as a 20. So he had to put some fucking bullshit in
Wow.
there. And what he did was put a snorkel on
He was
niggas'
like,
heads.
yo, here's some fucking.
He just drew a circle in the Smurf hat.
He was like, yo, that underwater Smurfs. You want this shit or
He's
not?
like,
See, when you're gassed,
Yeah.
like when you're, because that's he sold that shit. That's when the Smurfs was popping. Can't do wrong with that shit,
Nah.
man.
Come on.
That's gonna be us. So we have
Crazy?
like fucking. But we're gonna outsource Bodega Boys to every country, and they're gonna have a replacement Desus and Mero. The same way they do Wheel of Fortune.
True.
They have a Passe Jack and a Vanna White,
Uh-huh.
and they're gonna have a Desus and Mero for
Yes.
every country.
Gotta do it.
They're gonna have one in Russia. Got to hear both sides.
Hey.
All that shit. It's
Hey.
gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit.
Or My ex-girlfriend, Jasenievich, she's so crazy. She do phlebotomies.
Crazy, ableist term, Conrad.
Oh, I'm sorry. Kremlin is working on all of us.
Oh, well, listen, the franchise is out here.
You know
if you
what I'm
want the franchise, please send a
holla.
Just send
Franchising opportunities available. Dog.
Don't you want to be? Won't you want to be the first person to host Bodega Boys Peru?
Come on. Bodega Boys Peru. She opens with the wild pan flute.
It's just a theme, but maybe a pan flute.
Yo, they gotta be a Bodega Hive pan flute player. Do this, please.
Do this. Play the Bodega Hive. Play the Bodega Boys theme. Shout out to DJ TNA. Play the Bodega Boys theme in the pan flute.
You know what I'm saying?
Dramatically. For all my Peruvians or whoever.
You know what I'm saying?
The Jamaican one got the steel drum.
Oh, man.
Just way too happy. Jump out where? Jump out
where?
It's the Bodega Boys. That's nice.
Yo, what do they call Bodega in Jamaica?
Do they call it Bodega in Jamaica?
Yeah,
They don't.
All
Right? They don't have bodegas in Jamaica.
Yo, because Dominicans got bodegas. We call bodegas here, but in jail they're called colmados. You know what I'm saying? And it's like, it's more hangy outy than a bodega is.
But what they would call a bodega in Jamaica is called mind your business. That's why you ask so many blood clot questions. Just humility.
Nah, it's called Fuck Wiz Khalifa!
Yo, shout out to Junior there at fucking La Marina on Saturday.
Oh, he played the Drake dub?
No,
Oh.
they didn't because for some reason they can't. Jubilee was like they couldn't.
Oh,
But
yeah, she did say that. Shout out to Jubilee.
no, like he was rocking. I heard one dance at least 50 times. Every time it was better than the first. But he stopped the music and was like, "Yo, do y'all fuck with this Tiger song?" And I have never heard, because you know Tiger has that knockoff controller, the Kids Bop version. It's just mad soft.
Man.
Sounds like a MIDI track that you downloaded in like way back in the days and had to see your MySpace page. Damn. It's terrible. And shout out to Tiger, who flew a white girl to Jamaica to shoot the video for said song.
Fam, and you look in the background. That's what I'm saying.
But you look in the background, they ain't fucking with it at all.
And that's like it's not resting Jamaican face either. It's like actual disdain.
It's actual.
You know what I'm saying? Like
nurse
like,
early morning on the fire train face. Okay?
Like, yo, nah.
Like nah,
Like,
nah, Tiger. Michael, what are you doing?
Oh, bring him here.
He's down there with Yes Jules.
Was she in there?
No.
Oh man, I was like,
imagine
damn.
she was the girl in the video.
Oh god.
They were trying to get her out the paint.
Backlash City.
There's a fake Yes Jules account.
A tweet like Yes Jules?
Yes,
Oh,
I
awful.
saw it yesterday.
It's so mean.
Wow. Black vibes matter.
Yo, chill.
Wow.
Whoever's doing that, you are wild.
Listen.
You're a wild savage.
People, you listen. Everyone has a person on the internet who is waiting for them.
Mm-hmm.
He's waiting to get you out the paint. They got Skype sessions. They got PDFs. They've
Everything.
DM other people. They got dirt on you. They try to hack your
yeah.
Gmail, and they're just waiting.
Yeah.
They're constantly taking the temperature of the timeline, and they're waiting. They're waiting. And right when that day is right, they're coming out with the big Joker hand. You know what I'm saying? They're putting out the big domino.
Cutting your whole
They hit
shit.
you with draw 4. Because that's all they need. All you need is the audience to be a little riled up. And you could be like, I find it funny how. Boom!
Woo! Wild draw 4, nigga, hold that.
Not to say she
Damn.
didn't have it coming. Gotta hear both sides.
Yeah.
But, you know.
Gotta hear both sides, you know what I'm saying?
Gotta hear
Always gotta hear both sides, dog. But listen, let's stop online bullying.
No. I feel like online bullying should be more.
I think it's crazy to me because we grew up in the era of like actual bullying. Like, yo, when motherfuckers would snuff you just for being a kid. And I remember making that observation at like 23 years old. I'm standing in the corner of East Tremont and Sampson, you know what I'm saying? In front of the bodega, drinking beer, smoking weed like a low life, and just telling my man, yo, why don't we just like snuff kids like how we used to get snuffed? You know what I'm saying? Like, why aren't we out here just snuffing kids for no reason?
Different game now.
You know what I'm saying?
Different game. Kids
Back in the day, you know how it is. Back in the day, you get snuffed just for walking down the block.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
But it's just like this. Like, you could snuff somebody, and that's not going to stop them from like talking shit about you online.
yeah.
Like they have that, they are making fake pages and just riding you.
Oh, yeah.
I know girls that have like been making fake pages and harassing other girls online for like at least a decade.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Once people get it in their head,
Yeah.
they're not gonna stop. You could jump this person, fuck them up. You could know this person, and
I thought of that because some dude came at me. It's so funny because it's when people like you don't even realize it, but people I have no idea, and I know you can't keep track of either. The people that used to fuck with you that no longer fuck with you.
Yeah.
But it's not like they don't fuck with you like actively. They're just like, I don't fuck with this dude anymore, or they don't follow you or whatever. Those type of people will come back and get all in your shit, or like do a little low key shit. That recently happened to me, and I engaged the dude, and I was like, yo, dog. I was like, fam, I'm not a Twitter nigga, dog. Like, I got on this shit, and I was able to like make something out of it. But I'm not like, this is not who I am, my nigga. Like, I mean, this is who I am. I project myself all the time because
keep it on it.
You gotta keep it on it because. Otherwise, like you said, somebody's gonna come for you and expose you.
Right.
So that's why I try to put all my cards on the table. But this dude coming at me sideways, and in my head I'm like, yo, I'll fuck you up, dog.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But then I'm like you said, I could fuck this dude up, and then he's gonna come back online and have like another account or like some shit, and then start saying, so it's like really worthless. If I shoot you, I'm brainless.
Yeah, Jay said it. There's like 5 people who just stay riding me in my mentions, and I mean not like you're unfunny and shit, but just like right, like yo, you subbing me, blah blah blah. And I'm just like,
get out of here.
I'm like, yo, what am I supposed to do here?
Grow up.
I'm like, because if we can handle this the fucking 233rd way, if you want,
that's what I'm saying.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I'll throw all this shit away, but then I'm just like, I don't want this. I want to live in this fucking nice ass apartment.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I want to walk past the Chinese couple in the lobby who don't speak no English, and they giggle because they think I'm a rapper as I hit the 44th floor on my elevator.
Yeah. I don't have fucking beef. I don't have beef for niggas. It's just so stupid. Yeah.
Beef stupid, man.
In my crib.
Only beef I got is with Mike Francesa, and I'm telling him to step to the side so I can get the ribeye steak.
That's right.
You know
Sir, excuse me.
God's working all over us.
Yo, the churrascaria is a public domain, man. Get out of here. What do you? I mean, first of all, Kevin Durant's black, so.
Mike Francesa, move.
Get the fuck out the way.
They have a sale on Gouda. Shout out to Stu Leonard. We want to be the official voices. We want to expand this from just the Bronx. BX all day.
Dog. Yesterday, I was in Brooklyn.
Right.
And I seen the Bedford cheese shop.
What?
I was like, bro, this thing's got a whole store of just cheese?
Yeah.
Wow. I was like, Brooklyn?
You know what it is? Because when white people had a chance and they were like, yo, what do you guys want to do? Do you want to, like, change the system so black people aren't innocently killed by the cops? Or do you want to expand on different types of cheese?
Give me the cheese. Give me the cheese. Give me the cheese. Are you kidding me?
Are
you kidding me?
Right off the rip.
Have you tried this smoked
Why wasn't
Gouda?
that the first option?
Try this Gruyere and tell me it's not more important than a black life. I mean, really.
Shit. When Dr. Yaku created white people, he was like, I can put in empathy or I can put in a tolerance for lactose.
Well, let me tell you something.
And then the dog was like, shoot those niggers. Yes, that's right. Dogs used to talk. Dr. Yaku removed the ability to talk from dogs, so they would, because dogs like to blab. Because think about it, your dog, if he does some shit that he's guilty, he'll give it away right away.
They blab and gab.
So because the initial dogs that after the genetics DNA splicing that created white people, the dogs would go like to the goats in the mountain and be like, yo, Dr. Yaku made this. This is why he made white people, and you can't have that.
Teach them
devils. The goats are like, teach them devils. So he took out their vocal cords. And these are the type of stories I will teach at the BX of the Academy. So just imagine a kid of 60 kids at a graduation, and I teach them this as your eyes bulge out their head.
I'm listening to you say this shit. I was like, dog, I thought you said you don't watch Game of Thrones.
It's true. Teach these devils.
Yo, Dr. Yakub, actually, since Game of Thrones is over now,
right?
We could just
let's make a Game of Thrones with Dr. Yakub, and we're trying to we're fighting to get to the mountain to stop him.
To stop Dr. Yakub.
And he's just sending like all his fucked up other creations at
us.
The
White Walkers.
They
could just
turn into white people.
Spin off. Whoa! Yo, holla at us, man. Yo, son. Come on, these niggas are stupid. Oh. Yo, I said earlier, we're out here fixing TV. Just let us do it.
Come on, man.
Let us create.
And then we can have the spin off, the White Walkers, and it's just like the White Walkers, but it's just actually some CBS syndicated.
But that fat guy that wrote all the books is gonna be so tight because he's like, yo, but I gotta write the book first. I'm like, nah, nigga, you're irrelevant.
Is he really writing the book? He's just coming up with shit.
He's just saying shit.
He's coming up with shit. He does the same thing we do on this podcast. We just pull shit out our ass.
Straight up.
You know what I'm saying?
Pull up from 40 and cash out. Yeah. Yo, there's two types of people.
You gotta follow the story of the Game of Thrones. I'm like, I don't know what's going on, but I see enough commercials. There's some white chick. She gets naked sometimes. Listen, she has a chain that makes her old. There's a dragon.
Doesn't matter.
Someone got murdered at some red wedding.
That's it.
There's a huge fight, and there was like bodies and shit, and it was like a massive fight, and there were archers and shit.
That's it. Ours was on fire too.
Game of Thrones.
That's it. Yo, listen. There's two types of people in this world. People who pull it from 40 and hit, and people who pull it from 40 and miss.
There
you know what I'm saying?
Which one do you want to be?
And this fucking little short fat guy just happened to be in the same.
You got it. It's all
pulling up.
It's all about confidence, baby.
That's it. You know what
it's
I'm
like, think about it. When you right before you're about to have sex, if you come in there like, Yeah,
I don't know.
If you come in there
Is this okay?
naked with your dick out, like,
That's
yo,
right.
you Captain Morgan.
With the wild boner.
Boner.
Hanging
you
a towel off your shit.
You smack around her butt like, what's up, ma?
What's up?
Or his butt. Listen, we're inclusive. You do what
inclusive.
you gotta do.
Whatever you do.
And you be like, yo, what's up? You ready?
Or they's butt.
Or they's butt.
You know what I'm saying?
If they don't identify using any pronoun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Butt.
At blank's butt.
Blank's
Can
butt.
you say blank?
Can you say blank? If they
That's
identify
not
as blank.
problematic. Can you, because like as a placeholder, because you don't want to say, yo.
Well, you can't meet a person and be like, yo, hi, blank. Are you asking like if you meet a person you can't tell their gender or some shit?
No. Like.
Or if they don't want to be identified
as like anything at all.
I mean, if that's what's in their Twitter bio, if they're like, I want to be identified as blank. I mean, if I'm feeling like it, I'll respect that. If I'm drunk, no.
Yeah, that's true. Twitter bio, you gotta check niggas' Twitter bio now to see what you gotta call them.
Actually, you don't.
You don't.
You don't.
You can just live your life.
Yeah, I'm unverified. I'm living that dirty scumbag life now, but I don't have to do shit like that. It feel actually like not for nothing. It feels a little freeing because now I can really get these tweets off. Like, yo, because they only put you in magazines and shit when you're verified. Really? So now, yeah, like, mad at my shit like is not in like because if you look on like Variety and stuff like that, all the tweets that they collect are usually verified tweets from celebrities and shit.
Right.
So now I'm looked at as not a celebrity, so now I can get off the wild race baiting tweets and shit. So when I start this fucking revolution,
God.
It's because Twitter took away my verification.
Oh my
And
God!
I'm gonna burn this country down.
Burn down Babylon.
And when I'm in heaven with Malcolm X and Marcus Garvey, and I'd be like, wow, a blue check? That's all it started? I'd be like, it's more than a blue check, brother.
I seen a picture of not Marcus Garvey, Frederick Douglass.
Yeah.
And I was like, damn, my grandma looked just like that.
Yeah.
He looked exactly like my grandma. It was crazy.
Okay. That was a fuego take.
Rest in peace, I love you.
What was your grandma's name?
Maria.
Maria?
But we used to call her Nana. R.I.P. Mama Nana. You know what I'm saying? I love you.
Your grandma was Nana Castro?
No. Shout out to Nana Castro, though. Shout out to Nana Castro.
That's a homie.
Yeah, it's homie.
I thought you were going to say something about like your grandma fucking Frederick Douglass, but apparently
No.
that story
She's
went.
not that old.
Is she not?
How old is Frederick Douglass? How old? What year was he born in? Was he born in like 18 whatever?
She was born in 1960.
Frederick Douglass?
Do you not know your history?
Stop. They opened Frederick Douglass High School or some shit in 1960. Frederick Douglass is not. Frederick Douglass is
Okay, I know you know DR history. Perhaps you would like to learn some history about POCs, people of color.
Yeah.
You said Frederick Douglass was in 18 what?
Not 1800s, but like early 1900s.
No, 1960. He had the Black Star movement.
Bruh. No. Really? But no, he was born in the early 1900s. That's what I'm saying.
No, he was 1960.
He was not born in 1960. Stop it. That's like MLK times. Frederick Douglass had the shipping company, and that was in. What did I read this? See, because they don't teach you this, because what they teach you is his story, not our story.
Well, what's crazy? It's not crazy. That's able to start. Yeah. Like I'm trying to inform you.
So put me on, yeah.
And you were fighting it.
No, I think because I feel like this is a little Desus finesse right here.
Desus finesse? Is
like
that
just like,
so you think I sit here on this podcast on the art and I feed you four facts?
Nah,
I made all that shit up.
I know you did. See, I knew this. Why am I even put my pin number on my phone to open the shit? I knew this thing was lying. I was like, yo, Black Summer.
You should have known I'm a scumbag. You can't trust me. Haven't you learned from my exes?
I was like, yo, Sheldon's over there keeping it straight.
Trusted.
This nigga Victor's not over here looking at
I like
no facts.
to lie. I like to watch people squirm. I'm a terrible person.
Yeah.
God's working on me, but not enough.
I'm like 1960. I'm over here feeling bad. Like damn. I was like, yo,
you picturing Frederick Douglass with an afro and a dashiki.
Yeah, the dashiki. I was like thinking, nah. I was like, yo,
you had mass sweat coming down your brow.
I was like, nigga, I got like a 90 on the
All
history
the black
regions.
people in the audience was like,
sir,
Mero. Do you want to answer that,
Mero?
Oh,
I'm like, nah, I definitely got a 90 on the history regions.
Shirley Chisholm looking down from heaven like, Mero, don't fuck this up.
Don't fuck this up, nigga. But yeah, no, my grandma was
Shout
definitely not old enough to have smashed Frederick Douglass.
All right, that's good to know.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good to know. Would she have though?
Huh?
Would she have though?
I don't know. She didn't speak any English. That would have been
Did she hate black people?
very difficult. No.
Okay, that's good.
Like I said, she looked just like Frederick Douglass.
Yeah, that's cool. Shout out to Grandma.
You know what I'm saying, Grandma?
Grandma Mero, whose choice was not discriminating, I guess.
It was not. Where was I going with that? But yeah. So Frederick Douglass shot down.
Shout out to Fred Douglass.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to everyone that got shot by cops. You hear this on Friday. Be safe, beloved.
Yeah, I hope
You know
nobody else
what I'm
got shot by the time this comes out.
Avoid the shit. If
Yo,
you know
'cause
what?
honestly, I went to bed and Alton Lissa was trending. I woke up today.
There's a new one.
And
no, I woke up last night and I saw the
come
new
on,
one. I was
fam.
like, nah, I don't got time for this.
I don't got time
do
for this.
Like,
Yeah,
this is
it's too much. Yeah.
Yo, I would say avoid the bookings, but at this point, like if you're lucky enough to make it to bookings,
make it to bookings.
Like
you be alright.
You be alright. Hopefully you be alright.
Better to eat a sandwich than eat a bullet. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
Eat a cheese sandwich.
That's not even funny. That's deep. Fuck.
You know what I'm saying?
This is a dark episode.
It was very dark.
Yeah.
We didn't give them like the dirt, stark, misery.
Nah,
but we
usually we do that shit. It's like life was like, oh, you want to do that shit? Here's some real shit for you to worry about. Misery, so
hold that.
Damn. This is the type of episode you listen to and you just feel bad. You're like, damn, it's hard to be black in America. It's hard to be a black man in America.
Damn, dog.
You just go through it all day. Just feel moody. Just go home. Listen. Hug your white boo.
That's it. Tiger uppercut.
Yo, it's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Chipotle. Pocket say fat like Tyrio, Chris that's for sling dick. Eli Lip Bit, Butcher's Gully, Slow It Down Might Know Ya Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, Jesus H Fuego, Mr. Nando's with Toronto, 1994, aka your problematic babe.
It's your boy the Mero, aka the Durant Flap, aka Donovan McDab, you know what I'm saying? Aka the Bitch Smack Beyombo. You know what I'm saying? Aka East Tree my Stevie B. You know what I'm saying? Catch me at the KTU Beatstock, nigga, with your DD Vet.
Oh, two-stepping with your hand way too close to her girdle.
You're my diamond girl.
As always, coming to you live from 220 West 18th Street. Come through, check it out. They got a polo exhibit. Don't steal anything. Security guards here. We'll fuck you up.
That's right. Shout out to Thurston Howell III.
All right. As always, next week we'll be back with this. Check us out at Bodega Boys, at Desus Nice, at the Kid Mero.
That's right.
Be safe.
Internet.
And fuck 12.
Fuck 'em.
We out.